Well, I just started streaming, but I
Oh,
don't
you're
think.
live
I think
already?
no. I think my video is still private, so I just gotta make it unprivate. Wow. My video is still private, so I just gotta make it unprivate. Wow. My video is still private, so I just gotta make it unprivate. Why does it keep repeating
I
that?
can hear.
Wow. My video is still private. What are you doing? So I just
What?
gotta make it unprivate. Why does it keep repeating that? Why does it keep repeating
I
that?
can hear.
Wow. My video is still private. What are you doing?
What is going on,
So I
man?
just
I don't
gotta
know what.
make difficulties. Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Mic check 1 2.
Oh, there we go. 1 second. Oh man.
Okay,
I,
they could hear us. We just gotta wait for Departures Capital. We're having some rookie mistakes. What's
I
up,
know, right?
David
It's kind
Modell?
of
What's up,
confusing. Like,
Laverne?
what's
What's up,
happening here?
Charlie? What's up, John Gaming? What's up, everyone? I guess I'll just go through this list. Yes, I'm up, and Andrew Bagel, Stephen Loco. What's going on? Four Seasons. Everyone, what's up? What's up? What's up? So
Oh, it's
we're having a
dangerous.
red day today. A red day. So once again, I'm doing some shopping today. We're just gonna wait for Departures Capital.
Sorry. Okay, there we go. I
Tilray's
messed
at
up.
100.
I messed up, and we're good to go now. We're good to go now. Wait a
So
second.
as you can see, Departures Capital has
Yeah.
his tissue paper ready.
Okay, guys.
John
We're
Gaming, you
here.
will always be mentioned. Um,
10:01. 10:01. We're live. Okay, that's
10.
good
I
now.
guess we're 10:01. That was perfect. We said so. Till Canopy is down 5% today. 5%, and their earnings were not that great.
Yeah.
Let's see what we could pull up on their earnings. What do you have to say about their earnings, Aaron?
I mean, yeah. It was it was not good.
Yeah, well, they came out with a quarterly loss of 76 cents per share, an estimate a ZAC consensus estimate loss of 13 cents per share. This compares to a loss of 1 cent per share a year ago. So their numbers did not improve. This quarterly reports represents an earnings surprise of negative 484% from a quarter ago. They would post a loss of 12 cents per share. It was expected that this company would post a loss of 12 cents per share. and when it actually produced a loss of 31 cents per share. So it delivered a surprise, delivering a surprise of negative 158.3%. So what it's looking like today is Canopy is bringing down the rest of the sector. Do we have any
Yeah.
companies in the green?
Let me check. Let's see what's let's see what's up. Oh, yeah, ACB's down 5%, Canopy's down 7%.
Yeah, looks like we might see ACB under $8 today, so I might put an order in at $7.80.
780?
Yeah,
780
maybe
for
$7.90 because I don't know if we'll go that low. But hopefully it happens and I get my shares back because I made that mistake not too long ago. I'm gonna read your guys' comments soon. I'm not on the comment section, but we'll go through comments, maybe answer some questions. I guess you could do
Steven.
that.
It's toilet paper. We got toilet paper in case we run out of tissues today. Sorry,
Yeah.
I'm just answering a few comments.
Nah, do what you gotta do. So, what do you think about Aleafia stock? Well, I've heard a lot of good things about Aleafia stock, but let's pull up their chart.
Yeah, I mean, Aleafia is supposed to list, but hold on a sec. Got more.
I think that these graphs are broken, but Aleafia is only down 2%. No, because I'm using TradingView and my graphs seem to be broken right now.
There we go.
So I can't even look at these charts.
How many peeps you got Investing Hustler?
Let me check. 51. How about you?
69, but ACB earnings was nuts. Like, I can't believe there was like 500 people watching.
Yeah, ACB earnings was crazy. But honestly, I wouldn't be too concerned about these earnings because we did have legalization on October 17th. So that's literally just a month of recreational earnings. And on top of that, ACB earnings, most of ACB earnings were from medical marijuana. I actually read this article where it said that I think it was like $600,000 from those earnings was from recreational marijuana, and the rest was from medical marijuana. So the recreational market didn't even play a big part in ACB's earnings. I know Aurora keeps dropping, and it's almost, well, someone just said Aurora's at $8, but right here it's saying it's at $8.36. What's it saying?
Yeah, I don't think ACB's. I don't think it's at $8.
Maybe
it's at it's at $8.13 though.
I might get my order. I just placed a buy order at $7.80. We'll see.
Here we go, guys. I'm gonna reply to your comments on my phone. So
ACB had 30% market share in Ontario.
Supply is outstripping demand. What do you think about that, Investing Hustler? Do you think supply is outstripping demand?
No, there's more right now. There's more demand than supply, and I read an article that's going to be a problem for the next 2 years, and then after that there might be more supply than demand, but as of now there's more demand versus supply.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find this article. Here, let me see. Can I share my screen?
Guys, check this out.
Naughty. Ah, shit.
Do we hit it?
Hit it.
Naughty. Look at how the naughty button's just chilling in the corner over there.
You gotta hit it.
Yep.
We're having a very naughty day today.
Yeah, you never sell in the red. You gotta buy in the red.
Yeah.
Buy in the red.
And I guess we could talk about Tilray's earnings too. So Tilray had revenue of $10 million and a market cap of $10 billion. So
Nice. Your screen sharing's working perfectly.
Is it? Do you guys see my screen?
Yes, I can see it. This is the first time it's actually worked.
All right.
So
right here we have Canada's recreational market didn't open for business until October 17th. So the company's quarterly results only hint at the opportunity associated with the country's emerging adult use market. According to management, the quarterly only included 553,000 in sales to wholesalers that were building inventory ahead of the recreational market opening. So Aurora had a revenue of 30 million and only 553,000 seems to be the recreational part. So that's a very small chunk, and that's because we only became legal October 17th. So that means that
Yeah.
Aurora's dramatic growth was almost entirely due to growth in the active patients served by its medical marijuana businesses.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's go to the more important parts. So yeah, pretty much the medical marijuana is growing. So medical patients went up 250% year over year. But this is for Aurora. This is not for Canopy.
Yeah.
But this, I don't know if you guys seen this article, but this seems to be really good news for medical marijuana, and it even talks about how right now we have more demand versus supply. So
Yeah, I mean, the Ontario Cannabis Store just talked about how they were they tweeted, I think it was they tweeted saying how they just filled their 220,000 orders. So,
yeah, well, so I don't know. I think Aurora's going to continue to grow. So especially next quarter, we're going to have a full quarter of recreational marijuana, and then I guess that's where we're going to see the real numbers
yeah.
on these medical. Okay, let's see.
So, I got a question here. For picks, are you going to pick
Oh wow, they
against
said they see nothing, so they didn't even see our screen share. Damn.
Really?
Yeah, no, I guess you guys didn't see nothing. Sorry about that,
One second.
guys.
Can you guys
I think
can you guys see
Canopy
us?
is overpriced. Well, Canopy had horrible earnings, so the only thing that's keeping their numbers up right now is that $5 billion investment from Constellation brand. Yeah, T
Okay.
God. I just placed an order
Okay.
for T God. Another order. I keep averaging down with T God. Let's see what my orders is. I would share screen with you guys, but I can't seem to share screen. So I'll read.
Everybody on my end saw the screen.
Oh, that's weird. So no one on my end saw it.
Yeah.
One of my orders got filled. Okay, look, just because I made these orders doesn't mean you guys should be making them too. Because if these companies could continue to go down, I will continue to buy. But like I'm just reading these orders out not so you guys could buy them, but just to let you guys know the orders that I made. So
Yeah.
I made an Aurora order at $7.80. It hasn't been filled. I made a Cron order at $10.50. It was just filled actually. Let's see what Cron's at. Did it go below 10.50? Yeah, so Cron is at 10.45 now. So maybe I'll make my next order at $10. I made a hemp order at $1.10. I made another T God order at $2.90, but I doubt it's gonna drop below 3. I did a XLY order at 89 cents, and I did a Hexo order at 5.75. So yeah, are you making any orders today, Aaron? Any purchases?
Um, Let me think. I mean, if ACB drops below $8, I'll probably buy. That's pretty much. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, I would love to see. I mean, it kind of sucks for the moment, but long term, I would love to see ACB drop below $9. But
Yeah, we'll see. It's tough. We did see a bounce in the morning. Now we're seeing them head back down. Hexo's
really,
back below $6. That's right. You know, I've never owned Hexo,
yeah,
so
I just made an order. I think I said at Hexo for 5 something. Did I? Yeah. But it
naughty,
seems.
naughty, naughty.
Oh, one of my
Okay.
orders just got filled. Hemp just got filled at $1.10. And yes,
Ooh.
I have a Hexo order at 5.75, but I think I should bring that lower. Let's see what Hexo's at right now. Hexo is at 5.93 with the stocks, and let's see on my bank what's Hexo at.
Okay.
Who here is making orders, guys?
Yeah,
Anyone?
who here is buying today?
Anyone buying in the red today?
Or uh-oh.
I'm down a lot. Aaron,
Got
could
some
you please
we got
pass
some
me some
ACB hate.
tissues?
We got two.
Har-
We got two.
Harjot Bao wants some tissues, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. I actually brought one roll of toilet paper. and
Vesting Hustler is not equipped for these earnings.
and
He
what?
woke up and he already used all of his tissues.
No, I got my box hasn't even been opened yet, guys. It's not opened yet.
Vesting Hustler's been shorting the stocks this morning. That's why he.
Have you
Just
noticed
kidding.
for months Thursday that the sector has been red consistently? I didn't notice that. Have you noticed that on Thursdays had? But that's not. I feel like we've had some red Thursdays. I mean green Thursdays. Who
Yeah.
should I buy in the red? Unfortunately, we can't tell you. We're not financial advisors, but I did tell you what I'm buying in the red. I wish I could buy. I need more capital. When do you guys live chat? We're live chatting right now. I'm reading all your guys' comments. What time normally? Honestly, we don't. This is our second live stream ever, so we're working on it.
Yep. Yep.
When should I
Wednesday and Thursday.
what's the next earnings coming up? What time normally? We normally live chat at around 10 a.m. But maybe we could start doing like evening or afternoon live chats when the markets are closed. Do you want to start doing that maybe?
I'm down. Actually, I enjoy this live streaming. It's pretty
Yeah,
fun.
it
What do you
is.
think?
No, I enjoy it.
Yeah,
Who
I
are
enjoy
you
talking to you guys.
buying? I'll say it one last time, but I did say it. I just don't want to annoy people that have already heard it. So so far I've bought Cron and Hemp. My orders got filled. I have ACB order at 780, T-God at 290, XLY at 89 cents, and Hexo at 575. But the only orders that got filled were Cron and Hemp.
Okay, okay. That's cool. So you're gonna buy XLY? You didn't buy XLY yet?
I put an order at 89 cents. Right now it's sitting at 91. So if it drops 2 cents, it looks my order will be filled.
So my one subscriber Harry, shout out to Harry. He's like, please do something about that bulb, bro, or please do something about that bulb. Bulb above your head.
The only thing I could do is turn off that light, and then it gets dark in here. I
You
might.
just got you just got to keep your head at a special position.
I'm blinding. I'm blinding the viewers.
Oh,
Am I buying Canopy today? Unfortunately, not unless it goes below $40. Which, if it does, then I will. Cause right now I have Canopy at $36.35. So I don't want to average up Canopy. I don't want to buy it at 46. I don't want to buy it at 40. But if Canopy goes to like 38, 37, then I'll buy Canopy. But I have right now I'm holding on to Canopy at $36.35. I'm still up 28% with Canopy, so
hey,
I don't want to average up and then Canopy drops because these were
yeah.
very very bad earnings, especially
What's up
for
with the
Canopy.
globe? Everybody's asking me what's up with the globe. So it's this globe's very interesting. So as you guys can see, it's still spinning.
Oh, I'm talking Canadian prices. Sorry, go on.
This globe's interesting. So it spins based on the magnetic field or something, and it's plastic, but inside is water, and it just like keeps going. Like even though I'm holding it, it just I don't know. It's called a Nova globe, I think.
Oh,
But yeah,
okay.
it's kind of. I use it to predict the ACB stock price. So like today, I don't know, guys. The globe, it's saying we might make it back to 850. We'll see though.
Yeah. Well, the someone's asking why did Canopy tank? Um, well, I did read it. I did read it already, but Canopy had horrible numbers. They pretty much their earnings sucked. So this is what happened. They came out with a quarterly loss of 76 cents per share. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of negative 484% from a quarter ago. Um, they did not meet their expectation. They would it was estimated that it would post a loss of 12 cents per share when it actually produced a loss of 31 cents per share, delivering a surprising 158.3% negative 158.3%. So pretty much they just missed in all their numbers. So Canopy sucked. That's why they went down. And someone Stephen Hanley asked What do you think about ETF MJ? What's their ticker symbol? Is their ticker symbol MJ? I don't.
Is that like HMMJ, like Horizons Medical Marijuana Life Sciences?
I don't know. I could try to look it up. So I can't really tell you if I don't know much about the company. ETF. Oh no. So ETF MG. All I see is a alternative harvest ETF. It is an American company. Oh, actually, I do have this company in my watch list. Um, let's see. Let's see their 1 year charts.
All the tissues, Max. All the tissues are just because of the current state of affairs with Aurora and Canopy. So we're just prepared.
Yeah.
I mean,
I wouldn't buy this company now, cause it does seem to be downtrending really hard, and I feel like it could go all the way down to $25, maybe even 24. So I wouldn't buy it now, but it is an American company, and I think that the American marijuana industry might be the next I guess call it a bubble, because they're finally starting to legalize. I think marijuana is legal in 36 states now in the U.S., and then when it becomes legal nationwide, that's gonna be, it's almost gonna be like the Canadian industry when it was a lot of hype and shit, and then eventually that bubble might pop just like it popped here. So that's my opinion. Sorry for cutting you off.
what do you what do you think about Vivo Cannabis? Do you follow them at all, Investing Hustler?
Vito, I think I have them on my watch
Vivo,
list.
Vivo. Vivo.
Oh, Vivo. Yeah, no, I think I have them on my watch list. Let's see. I don't own them, that's for sure. But let's see if they're on my watch list. So they are. Yeah, they are. They are a Canadian company. They're at $1.01 per share. I mean, this does seem like a pretty good price for them right now, because they seem to be almost at rock bottom. They could go down to like 80 cents, 90 cents, or I doubt they'd go back to their IPO numbers. But this does seem like a pretty decent price for them right now, and they have a lot of potential for growth. They could go up to $4. They could go up to. So I like this chart. I like the way this chart looks. They're close to their 52-week low, so that's really good. So this company looks good. I actually might even start a position with them.
Yeah, Vivo.
Yeah.
Is that me or is that you this time with the beeping? The truck backing into our house.
Oh, I don't hear it this time. Let's do.
Hey guys, who got snow? Let's lighten up the topic a little bit. Who got snow? I'm replying to comments on my phone. I'm just reading the comments on my phone. Who got snow today? Wait, this the tissue company. So hold on a second. I'll just answer the comments here. So,
MJ is a competitor ETF to HMMJ.
Toilet paper is for when I run out of tissues, because today was
thanks
such
for
a
that
sad
info,
day.
Model. If it drops.
The ticker for the tissue company here. Let's see who makes it. Who makes Kleenex?
Who's holding? Bobo's like, who's holding from October 16th? Oh, so you bought right before legalization.
I don't know, guys.
Sorry to hear, man. I think
I don't know who makes the tissues. Sorry, but no snow, Toronto. How did you guys not get snow? Oh man.
No, there wasn't snow in Toronto. I think all the pollution melted all the snow.
That's crazy, though. I mean.
Yeah.
Trucks there to take away all of my crap tea got stock to the dump.
Oh, he's in Toronto, Romeo. Oh, Richmond Hill. You're
right, Steven. I think you're right. Procter and Gamble probably makes them. That's the next stock we should be buying.
Yeah, maybe we could work something out. Just email me. We're like both talking at the same time. Sorry, man.
Procter and Gamble.
No snow here. BC, there's snow. Oklahoma, is it snowing in Oklahoma? Oh,
that'd be hilarious if I was sitting on the toilet, but are you sitting on the toilet? Started. Gotta laugh it down. 5,000. Oh, Max.
Pokemon Master said, can you guys do a future video on how to read candlestick charts? I mean, we could do one, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of them out there already. Add the market cap of Tilray, Cron, and CGC and compare it to ACB market cap. The whole sector is high on its own supply.
Pure.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
Pura.
can.
Yeah, Thomas. Pura was on fire.
Yeah, Pura was up like 30 something percent yesterday. I actually own like a little bit of Pura. Is it Pura or Cura?
Oakland Raiders fan.
Let me see.
The naughty button.
Yeah,
Yo, for
Pura.
anybody who
But
sends
they're
me
down
1
today.
cent on Super Chat, I'll hit the naughty button.
1 cent.
I just wanted to see how it works. Honestly, I've never used Super Chat before. I set it up last night and I was like, what? People can send you money? So if you guys can send me 1 cent, I'll hit that naughty button. Even if you don't send me 1 cent, I'll still hit the naughty button, but
You
just try.
guess. Yeah, I used to watch Ricky Gutierrez, and I know he's into like UGAS and JNUG and Drip and all these companies. And I've actually attempted to do a swing trade on one of these companies with, I think it was JNUG, and I was pretty successful with it.
Thanks, Colin.
Yeah, Romeo, I'll hit you up, or just send me an email. There, if you go on my channel page, there's a link to my email. You'll see my Instagram, my Twitter that I just opened, and my email. So just send me an email there, and then I'll respond. All right,
Wow,
take it
this
easy,
is so
Romeo.
cool. Max. Whoa. What's that?
Did you get your 1 cent?
I got 50 NOK.
NOK, what's that?
Is that okay? Hey, what is that?
A Knight has it's A Knight, our knight in shining armor, the guy who saved the day last time.
Naughty.
Wait. What is NOK? That's pretty cool. Yeah, Colin, sorry, the battery almost ran out. I'm if you want. Oh, Norwegian.
Hi, baby.
Thank you. So, what is the currency conversion? That's pretty cool. So I don't even know how this thing works. Like, does it just like?
I think YouTube will just, I don't know actually, maybe convert it for you.
Cool.
Oh, what? I think Stephen Hanley said it is. Is it Swiss? Wait, are you guys trading on TSX? Is it Swiss?
Norwegian. That's cool.
The Toronto Stock Exchange. Well, I own companies from the Toronto Stock Exchange.
Wow, thanks, buddy. That's $7.
You guys.
Let me know when you want me to hit this naughty button.
You gotta hit. You said send me a penny.
Right.
You said to send him a penny, and he sent you $7. So you gotta hit that naughty button 700 times now.
700 times, yeah. So 700.
No, I'm joking. People will leave.
Got oil. Work in an oil field myself. Kush Bottle Co. is a sleeper cell. ACD came out on top. It's like 12 cents US. Aw, man. Who said it was $7? What about Canopy Rivers? I can buy half a share of beer with this Norwegian money.
You got some Norwegian money?
Yeah, I got 50 NOK. My bad. Oh, Steven. Wait, it's seven. Is it actually $7? Wow. If you guys send me another $7, the Partridge Capital is going public. Thing. I'll buy 2 shares of Aurora for you guys. Let's hope. 1 NOK is 12 cents. Wow, that's cool.
So you got a total of I guess 7 times 12 cents. That's like 84 cents. I think, if my math is right. I need to pull out my calculator.
That's cool. Well, just let me know when you want.
Oil is up 2% today. Let's see how.
Want me to hit that
I own one oil company, and it's Drip, and it's actually doing fairly well.
An oil company?
Yeah, Drip. Well, Directions, Share, ETF, Trust, Daily, S&P Oil and Gas, Experience, blah blah blah. Drip. I bought them at around $7, and they're at $9.30. I'm probably just gonna get rid of this position if it hits $10.50. But
Let's see. Fake lawsuits. 84 cents. Coffee's on Aaron. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Who's Matt?
coffee's on Aaron. Aaron, you big baller.
Yeah, guys, head on over and I'll make you uh
No,
I don't
drip
know,
drip is down 4% today.
a little latte. Maybe it might be about. Yeah, guys, let's talk about oil. I mean, I know we're talking about cannabis right now and the title's Canopy earnings, but wow, did oil get crushed yesterday?
That's weird, cause well, I guess my one oil company did well. Gotta go, guys. Stephen Hanley, you have a good day. No problem. Have a good day.
Growth earnings live. What do you? Uh-oh, we're getting some hate here.
Who's
What
hating?
live? You guys are just talking BS.
Hmm.
Well, it was at 10:30. It was at 10 o'clock, so you missed the report, buddy. I'm just kidding,
Nah,
but it's kind of true.
I mean, we can't just keep repeating the earnings.
I mean, yeah. Here, we'll give you an update. Canopy Growth Corporation reports Q2 loss, misses revenue. No, actually, I'm not going to read it.
I know.
But wow,
What
quarterly
do you
report
want?
earnings is
Stop,
surprise of
baby.
negative 484.6%.
Stop it.
Where did he go? Yo, Henrik. Natural gas went crazy high. That is true. The spread between crude oil and natural gas is insane right now. Okay, thanks for converting that.
Stop it.
Natural gas went through the roof. If you need an oil company, I would go for Equinor.
Steven Loco, repeat that Cannabis sucks. Yeah, Canopy did suck big time today. They sucked big time.
I want to see a big collab with all the YouTubers. Oh, they want to see a 4-person
Corporation
collab.
shares have added 62.7% since the beginning of the year versus the S&P 500s. I mean,
Steven.
yeah, if you look at it that way, Canopy still went up 62% this year.
Hold on a second, guys. I'm just grabbing something. My iPhone. Oh no, I need my charger. Oh well, it's okay.
So what do you think is gonna happen to Canopy within the next month, Aaron? You think it's gonna continue to drop, or it's gonna? How low do you think Canopy will go?
Ooh, how low Canopy will go?
Yeah, that's my dog. She's making so much noise. She wants love
Darn.
and attention.
Let me just pull up the chart 1 second. I need to pull up the chart on my other
Show
computer.
me the pug, and she's a little Frenchie.
There's
Come
too
here.
much toilet paper in the way
here.
right now.
Come here, piggy. Come here. Come here. You're in the most awkward angle. Oh, say hi. People want to say hi to you. Yeah, you're
Dog's
such a
famous.
pig. Go say hi. You guys hear her? Yeah, you guys hear that little piggy.
$20. Canopy to be bought by Aurora. Wow.
I doubt that's gonna be.
Okay.
I don't even think Aurora has that much money.
Guys, I think that
Oink oink.
we're at 46 right now.
Yeah.
I could see Canopy going into the mid 30s. Cause look at how long it traded in the 30s for.
Yeah.
That's just what I think.
But the thing is, they do have that $5 billion investment, which valued them. What do you remember the share price that Constellation brand bought them at? I think Constellation
30.
bought them at like, I think it was $40 something per share. So I don't.
It was $38 a share. I remember exactly.
That was when they purchased them, but the price they paid for Canopy. Do you remember that?
I don't know exactly.
Because they bought like I forget, it was like 35% of the company for $5 billion. I don't see Canopy going down below $40, but if it does, that'll be amazing. I would be happy to see them go below 37 so I could buy some shares back, because I sold off a lot of my Canopy especially
Yeah,
after that
the only
Constellation
time
brand deal.
I only bought Canopy once, and that was at 30. It was the day before the Constellation Brands deal was announced. That's the only time I bought Canopy.
Seriously? So you timed that perfect.
I bought it at 32 and sold at 58 in like a week or two. It was nuts.
Yeah. Well, I bought it and I'm holding on to some shares at 36. I only have 58 shares of Canopy at $36.35. I'm currently still up 26% with Canopy. I honestly wouldn't mind if Canopy went down to 36. I'll buy everything I sold back. Um,
Yeah,
I'm
just
gonna.
replying to a comment, Steven, you're right about T God. They have money. Um, and the thing is, I feel like a lot of the LPs that won't survive are the ones that don't have any cash. So if they've got lots of cash, they can weather the storm. New Strike Brands, I think it's a pretty
Yeah.
good stock. What do you think about New Strike Brands and investing Hustler?
New strike brands. I don't even think I have them on my watch list. What's their
Like
ticker
for
symbol?
first for small caps, well, Tiga's not really a small cap, but I think Tiga, New Strike Brands, Vivo, those are some of the crowd favorites for sure.
I just placed an order for T God at 290. But
Yeah.
we'll see how that goes. I think it's for 290. I'm gonna check my
Yeah.
orders, see if any of my orders went through.
Four Seasons, Four Seasons.
Yeah, I placed the T God order at 290. It has not went through. Um,
Rich,
two of my orders
Rich is
went through.
busy right now, but yeah, we should get Rich on here. That'd be crazy, us three. New
Yeah, I
Strike.
would be down to have Rich on, but he's saying that he's doing some stuff for some clients, right?
Yeah, Rich is doing a lot of client work, so um,
CJ Cooler, nice to see you here.
yeah, Rich too.
Meldix, ACB sucks. The Canadian market has proven to be way overvalued and is in the toilet. It's been overvalued. If you see a lot of my videos, I made a video where it's called I just sold. I forget how
Dog
much it
snoring.
was. $27,000 worth of shares. And a lot of people were telling me, why would you sell Aurora? Why would you sell this? Why would you sell that? And in my video I said that a lot of these companies are overvalued. And I made this video I think on October. Let me see if I could actually find the video when I made it. I might put a link of it right here. And so
Yeah.
I showed you guys when I was selling a bunch of my shares. And I did get some hate that I was selling Aurora, which at that time I think I sold Aurora at $15 a share. Obviously I
Oh
kept,
yeah.
and there was a reason why I did it. So I'm still looking for the video. I'll see if I can find it. I'll show you guys the link.
Everybody said you're not gonna get filled at 290 today for
I'm not.
T-God.
I'm not gonna get filled. Probably not. I mean, let's see what T God's at now. T God is at 320. Probably not. It might go to almost $3. It might go get close to that. I just don't want to buy it over $3 at this point.
Yeah.
Cause
Planet 13 hit $2 apparently.
did it? Oh man, I should have made an order. I wanted to buy at $2. Fuck. Cause I just sold Planet 13 not too long ago at like 250 something American. And I did say I wanted to buy my shares back. But it seems like every earning report, these companies, oh, Planet 13's at $2.01. Why am I not making an order? Thank you for reminding me. Oh yeah, but here, let me see if I could find that one video.
Yes, Max. Let's go there.
I would love to go to Planet 13.
I know we should. Who here says we should? Me and Investing Hustler should go to Planet 13 and do a live stream from Planet 13.
We wouldn't
That'd
be
be
able
crazy.
unless yeah, I'd have to bring my laptop, but I sold my laptop. I'm always buying and selling my gadgets. I don't have any attachment to technology.
Investing Hustler sells his stuff faster than he sells his stocks. He's just a hustler.
No, I've sold my stocks pretty fast. Did you do a conference call? I don't even know. Does Canopy have a conference call, guys? Where's our knight in shining armor? CGC continues to take a massive dump. Hey, A Knight, do you know if there's a conference call for Canopy?
Yeah, if there's a conference call for Canopy.
So yeah, okay, I found the video. Sold $24,000 worth of stocks this week, and this was on October 17th that I released that. So I literally made this video before the big dump. I'll post the link right here if you guys want to see it. It actually didn't get a lot of views, so maybe a lot of people didn't see that that I sold a lot of my marijuana stocks.
Let's get the earnings call. Investors.
I'll post that link right here.
Earnings call.
I don't think it'll probably be too late. So yeah, this is on October 17th. I made this video where I sold $24,000 worth of shares. So I pretty much sold some Aurora shares. I sold some Tilray. I sold almost all my Tilray shares, 90% of my Tilray shares. I sold XLY. I sold Kronos, and I'm pretty sure I sold more. But yeah, I did sell a crap load of my marijuana stocks before legalization. I wasn't 100% sure what was going to happen, but I felt like these companies were overvalued, so I figured I would get rid of it. Mel Dix, why are you even here? What did Mel Dix do? Mel Dix, ACB. Oh, okay. I mean, I think everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but so no hate here, guys. Did you do the conference call? We didn't. I believe there is, but I'm not registered. You would have to do a Google search. I'm pretty invested into natural gas and crude oil shorts at the moment.
Natural gas. I do like natural gas. It's been going on for 15 minutes already. You are geniuses. Yo, Henrik, why don't you post up that link then? We're very unprepared for this.
We're always unprepared. We just kind of wing it. I was out pretty late last night, so.
Yeah, we just love to talk to you guys.
Yeah, it's kind of just like a Q&A. We did talk about I don't know if you guys could rewind these live streams. In the beginning we did talk about their earnings, or maybe when the live stream's over, and so pretty much Canopy reported a quarterly loss.
Harry, that's so fun.
I don't want to keep repeating myself because the people that did watch the beginning, they're gonna pretty much make me think I sound like a broken record.
Hey, wait, hold on a second. Are you folks students, or is this your full-time gig? This is one of our full-time gigs. Oh, yeah. Don't touch AltaGas. Okay, thoughts on Nobu. What are your predictions for T-God? Harry says you got to bring that bulb to Planet 13.
Yeah, this light bulb behind my head.
Yeah.
I know, right? Apparently it's blinding. Trust me, you guys are not the first people to complain about it. I have to set up my I have a nice setup. Like the setup I'm looking at is good, but I'm using my computer camera. So unless I could put my computer camera there, or I got to get a different webcam so I could face it towards my setup.
I got to bring 13 globes to Planet 13. Wear a hat. Who should wear a hat?
No, anything is appreciated. I never, even if it's criticism, you could have done it, but it's okay. Is anyone registered to the Canopy conference call?
Yeah, who's got the Canopy conference call? Oh, Hustler, yeah. Hustler, they're asking you to wear a hat. Do you wear hats or nah?
I do wear hats.
What kind of hats do you wear?
I mean, here's the first hat I could see. Why is that light really bugging you guys?
Daniel, I really like KWH.
Hopefully this covers everything.
KWH has been doing
turn my
really
desk around. Oh man,
really
it's a corner desk. That's gonna be hard to turn around. Okay, look, I'm gonna have to sit like this the whole time.
Bam! You just can't move your head. It literally looks like your
I have a halo.
Head is glowing.
There you go. Planet 13 does not have this technology.
Replay information.
Oh, I keep
A
forgetting
replay of
to
the
make
call
a
will be
Planet
accessible by
13 order.
telephone. Oh, here, wait. I'm gonna call this, guys.
Wow, I'm officially buying Planet 13, $1.99.
1 second.
I'm just gonna buy back all the shares that I sold, and then if it continues to go lower, I will buy more.
Yes.
Maybe I'll put an order for Planet 13 at $1.98.
The phone charger. I just needed the phone charger. All right.
No,
Here
you
we
know
go.
what? I'm gonna buy more than 500 shares. 600.
I just got some cover that light with T-God stock. It's his halo. Investing Hustler's got that halo.
So
All
I
right.
just placed an order for Planet 13 at $1.98 American.
Call in right now. 1-855 859.
We'll see if it continues to go below that.
We're calling up Canopy. I'm gonna ask them what's going on with the stock price. Oh, hey, is this Bruce Linton?
And I think my order is gonna get placed now because it's now at $1.97. It should be placed, or you know what? I'm gonna bring that lower if that's the case. Planet 13.
Bruce put me on hold.
He's probably getting a lot of hate today. 97. I just changed my order for Planet 13 to $1.97.
Hold on a second. I think I pressed the wrong button.
I hope I made a buy order. Imagine I made a sell order. I did that one kind of quick.
Yeah.
So I just placed an order for Planet 13. And once again, just because I'm making an order doesn't mean you guys are going to do it. These companies might continue to drop. And since I did sell off a lot of shares pre-legalization, I did a bunch of swing trades during our recent spike. I'm sitting on cash right now, so I'm comfortable with buying shares and to continue averaging down. And I'm very bullish on Planet 13 in the long term, so that's why I'm buying Planet 13. And Planet 13 can continue to dip. American wise, I think Planet 13 has the potential to go below.
What?
Let's see, can go all the way down to $1.70. So I'm prepared to keep averaging down as it continues to drop, because right now it's about $2.03, and I think it has the potential to go down to $1.75, $1.70, and I will continue to average down my Planet 13 shares.
Even.
And so I just placed an order at $1.97 for Planet 13. Let's see what people are saying. Yeah, I'm buying Planet 13 American because right now I own Planet 13. I just sold 500 shares. I made a video about it where I sold 500 Planet 13 shares at $2.53. So I'm pretty much buying back all the shares that I've sold. I'm buying 600 shares. I just placed an order at $1.97 shares American. And right now for my Canadian Planet 13, I'm sitting at shares at $2.50, and my shares that are still in the green. So I'm not gonna buy Canadian until they're in the red, but American I'm buying right now. Well, I made an order. Hopefully it goes through. Hey Aaron, put that call on speaker. We want to hear what they have to say. Damn.
Annoying. It says a replay information. A replay of the call will be accessible by telephone until 11:59 p.m.
I might just have to do a market order. Planet 13
But the unfortunate thing is, I can't get in yet. You should buy stock in tissue. Yes. Yes, I should.
Okay, so what do you guys think the next bubble will be? Because we've gone through bubble after bubble after bubble. So first we've had like the .com bubble, then we had the 3D printer bubble. After that, I guess it was a crypto bubble, and then the marijuana bubble.
I mean, I would also consider the housing market a bubble.
The housing market?
The housing market, like in the U.S., was definitely a bubble.
Yeah.
I mean, so the next bubble. What do you think?
I don't know. Has the AI had a bubble yet or no?
I don't think yet. I don't think yet. We just got a comment: lithium bubble, electric cars.
Yeah. Oh yeah, electric cars, that could be the next bubble cuz
Yeah, it could
Tesla
be.
and Neo are kind of starting that trend. So electric car might be a next bubble. So the thing about bubbles is there's always winners. There will always be winners. Like from the .com bubble, Amazon.com was the winner. From I don't know who the winner was from 3D printers, and then from this marijuana bubble, there's gonna be a winner, and then there's always losers. But you could ride with the losers, but you gotta get out before that bubble pops.
Yeah.
So the fidget spinner bubble, hey, we can't forget the fidget spinner bubble. So yeah, I could believe the next bubble is either gonna be electric cars or smart cars, or for some reason AI or prosthetic limbs. I feel like that's something for the future. Um, and someone just said, "A night, wow, under $2 and a 5 minute candles indicate a bit of a dip to go. Planet 13's new line of disposable vapes are damn cool. I personally
One
think
sec,
they won't
Dan.
turn a
I'll answer
profit
that in
next
a
quarter.
second.
I'm just waiting. I like Planet 13 a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna be long term on Planet 13. Uh, Mostly because that the world's largest dispensary, and like if you guys seen my videos on Planet 13, it's it's amazing because they have like a laser show, they have a giant iPad, they have flying orbs, and if it becomes fully legal in United States, like
Long-term
for
gamble.
recreational purposes, I could see that company blowing up. It could be a bubble, but the thing is, if I see that company go up to like $5-6, I'll be selling off like 80% of my shares, at least 80% of my shares. I think marijuana stocks just need to go through a period of consolidation, and once these companies start pumping out products, there will be another boom. Yeah, I believe that too. Um, it might be another year or two. We'll see. But for now, we have more demand versus supply, which is a good thing for the next few years. So we'll see how that goes. What are the chances we may not have a Christmas rally in weed stocks? What do you think about that, Aaron?
Say that again.
What are the chances we may not see a Christmas rally in weed stocks?
I mean, shoot, it could happen. We need to see the markets get healthy. Like the markets got a sorry, they got a cold right now. They got the flu.
Eh,
Uh, and the U.S. needs to stop raising interest rates. That's just what I think. But
so my Planet 13 order just went through at a dollar, and I put it up to $1.98. Maybe I should have kept it, and it does seem to be going right now.
let's
When I look at TradingView, it's at $2.
want to go skiing.
So I bought back all the Planet 13 shares that I sold, and honestly, I don't mind if it goes back down to $1.70. I could see Planet 13 going to $1.70, and I would be happy if I did because I'm gonna load up on Planet 13. Planet 13, I can see it being my biggest position or my second biggest position by the end of this year if it continues to drop.
Off of 32. I'm Italian too. I'm half Italian. I'm a quarter Sicilian and a quarter mainland.
So far, you guys witnessed me purchase live Kron. I bought 150 shares of Kron. Hemp, I bought $1,500 of hemp, and Planet 13, I bought 600 shares of Planet 13. And my other orders did not go through, but I did make these purchases. And once again, do not buy these companies just because I bought them. They could continue to drop, and I'm prepared to average down. So I'm just letting you guys know what I'm purchasing.
I was just in Sicily, actually last month, about a month ago, month and a half ago. I was in Palermo. Sorry, investing hustler. I'm just replying to some
No,
comments
no,
here.
go ahead. That's perfect.
Oh, dude, we toured the whole island pretty much. Don't know if Joseph, have you been to Sicily
Oh,
recently?
Planet 13's at $1.97 now.
Investing hustler. Do you know the current value of Planet 13?
It's at $1.97 on TradingView. when I look at my bank, it's kind of messed up because I'm looking at my American portfolio and it's only showing me Canadian prices, which is weird. I feel like it always glitches out like this, but
So,
it's
Dan.
a $1.97 on TradingView, a dollar ninety
Okay,
seven
dollar
point
ninety
five.
seven. So, Dan asked this question a few times. He's asking if the cannabis bubble has already popped, and or I'm going to say yes and no because I'm going to say
Mm-mm.
yes for some of those LPs that have no direction and they don't really know like what's going on now. The hype's over, but now it's a legal business. So the ones that are going to survive are the ones with lots of cash, the ones with uh, actually have a distribution channel and legit production capacity that's actually going to show some profit. So now it's just about making profit. If they can
Yeah.
find a way to capitalize on the market now that it's legal, I don't think the bubbles pop for those companies. But the ones that were hyped up just because they're in the cannabis space, just like the dot-com bubble, just like the crypto bubble, everything rose like crazy, fell, and then the ones that are going to survive are the ones that make sense. So that's how I feel.
Yeah, I also think the companies that will survive or outperform are the ones that go global. Because
Mm-hmm.
if you're a Canadian pot stock and you're only in
Yeah.
Canada, you can only serve 38 million people in Canada, and not all 38 million people smoke or use medical marijuana. So the rest of the world is a lot bigger than Canada. Europe has like over 700 million people. The States, I know it's over 200 million, so compare that to 38 million in Canada. A lot of these companies have to go global, or they're going to get outperformed by the rest of the world eventually when it becomes legal there. So that's
Yeah,
why I like
exactly.
Canopy. That's why I like Aurora. That's why I like T God, because they all have a global mindset. And
Yep.
so Joe. What are the chances we may not have a Christmas rally? The chances, it all depends on this on the market, because right now it's not just the marijuana stocks are going red. Actually, we do have a couple green stocks like Alibaba. Surprisingly, wow, Chinese stocks are green today.
How green are
JD,
they?
well, it's not that good, but they're up. Alibaba's up 1.7%. JD.com's up 1.5%. 10 cents up 5.3%.
No way.
Yeah,
Really?
so Chinese stocks are in the green today, which is good. Let's see how Nintendo's doing, because I own some Nintendo. Um,
Yo, investing
Neo.
hustler Oxley's at 92 cents.
Oh, so it doesn't look like my order is gonna go through. I made some XLY order at 89 cents. So
Cents? It could still drop. It's not even in the red yet.
yeah, I
See if it
would
goes down.
I would like to see my order go through. But yeah, no, well, if I'm looking at TradingView, it's at 92 cents. When I'm looking at my bank, Oxley's at let's see. Yeah, it's at 92 cents.
It is
So
Wednesday.
three more
You know what I
cents.
think is gonna happen this week, guys? I think we're gonna sell off until tomorrow, and then we might see a bounce. It's gonna be the reverse of last week. Last week was green, 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 and then red, 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 red. So we'll see what happens. I mean, the more red days we see, the more likelihood of a bounce. But it's tough. It's tough right now. Would you ship your pants if we all should you would ship your pants if we all showed up?
What?
Gotta get
You
to
would ship your pants? What do you mean?
will
Don't
you
forget
ship your pants if
they're
we
just
I don't know. I don't
How
know.
many credit cards do you have? I currently have two credit cards. I should have more, but I only have two credit cards. Um, I honestly, I'm not against credit cards. I think they're good if you use them responsibly. I pretty much use credit cards for daily living. So if I want to pay for food, for groceries, if I were to pay for gas, if I was anything that I would have spent cash on anyways, I will spend credit cards. I will spend money on.
I just had to
Are
hit
your
the naughty
people
button,
telling me to
sorry.
hit the naughty button? How far do you think weed.to can go? So that's the ticker symbol for Canopy in the TSX.
Cut your pants.
uh, I don't think it will go below $40, but I would love to see it go below $40. Aaron, you said it. You think it'll go how low? Canopy will go. This is Canadian prices, by the way, guys.
Canadian prices, Canadian prices below 40. If the market keeps declining, I think Canopy will go to 38 or 35, 35-ish. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't think it's gonna go below 40, but I would love to see it go. And the only reason why, like, it deserves to go below 40 because of those numbers. But the only reason why I don't think it will is because they still have, at the end of the day, $5 billion invested into them. So I think
that
that's
is
what's
true. That
holding
is
that
true.
price up. Just because that $5 billion, that's what's gonna keep them up that high. But like if they didn't have that $5 billion invested into them, I could have seen them going into the mid 30s. But because of that Constellation brand deal, that's what's keeping them up. So
No, it definitely is. They've got this like hoard of cash right now.
yeah,
But man, what Aurora needs a sugar daddy. Come on.
Michael Bice, ship me your pants, please. I shit mine. Honestly, Michael Bice, your message, it shows up as like I have the option to show it and hide it. But the last time I had a viewer who was doing all these funny like vulgar comments, and my video was not allowed to get monetized because of that, so I can't show it. But I'll read it. Ship me your pants, I shit mine. Um, Hello everyone. I'm from Windsor, Ontario. What's going on, Miroslav?
Miroslav.
Did you ever look at
Miroslav's
First
in the
Cobalt?
building, eh? What is
Miroslav
it?
is he's like I'm invested into Camber Energy CEI. I'm not sure what that is.
Vesting. What's your pup's name? We got it. We got a request. What's your pup's name?
Her name is Luna.
Her name is Luna.
Yeah, Luna. That means moon in Spanish.
Ihapa. I like Juju. Juju is interesting.
Juju.
Juju, interesting stock for sure.
Yeah. So
I think they're on sale.
how long do you want to do this live stream for, Aaron?
Let's go for another 10 minutes.
Yeah, we could do that. We'll answer the last bit of questions. I mean, it's been going on for an hour.
Let's go
Unfortunately,
like an hour and 10-ish. Like, I think that'd be good.
yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see like live streams after the market closes, maybe not today, but like we could try to do it like after when would you want to do the next live stream? Or you guys have any requests for specific live
Yeah,
streams?
what's your request for our next live stream? We got topics. We can do something. Yeah, just like hit us up with some suggestions. Have a good day, guys.
18
I'm
cents
going to hit the
CEI.
gym. All right, Max. Good luck. Oh, Max is saying we should have strippers in the background.
Yeah. Couple of our lady friends would be upset.
You guys need to send me a few more dollars on Super Chat or whatever the heck this thing is, and then we can make that happen for you guys.
Yeah, are you guys gonna tip them?
Yeah, are you guys gonna tip them on Super Chat or however this thing works? So, yeah, whoever wants to send another 1 cent, I'll hit that naughty button. Just 1 cent.
It looks like I timed Planet 13 almost. Well, it's still early in the day, but Planet 13 seems to be going back up now. Oh no, but on when you look TradingView, it's at 199. So
Investing
I
in
just
plus
bought
30
Planet 13
off the
at
bottom.
$1.98. So we'll see how that plays out.
The bottom on that one.
Yeah, no, thank you guys for reminding me that Planet 13 it was at $2 because I've been preaching that I want to buy back my shares. Did you guys invest into lithium batteries? Unfortunately, I didn't. But we were talking about what the next
Wow.
bubble can be, and
Thanks,
one of
man.
them is smart
I
cards.
just got another 69 knocks.
Oh, you're killing it. I had zero tips, but I'm okay with that. I do this because I enjoy it. Just kidding.
Thank you.
No, I'm joking.
Thank you, sir. I need a
Naughty,
green
naughty.
button. I need a thank you button. Actually,
I know.
maybe I can afford to buy a thank you button now.
No.
Or like some kind of.
Well, the way these stocks are going, you're gonna have to sell your naughty button.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to sell my naughty button and make a fake one. Hold on a sec, guys. I'm gonna try and tune into that Canopy call. See if we can actually.
I think you need to be registered. It might be too late.
Okay. Wow, Max, live stream live stream in 10 minutes. There, I sent you a cent. Thanks, Max. Cannabis is still the acceptance fee food.
Wait, if you get a cent tip, does YouTube take a cut from that?
I don't know. I only get half of a cent.
Yeah. Please talk about big corporation bulls and bears and how they control, influence the resistance points. Can you be specific about which big corporations? Like, are you talking about Apple, about Amazon, or are you talking about big corporations in the marijuana industry? Canopy Rivers worth holding. Um, if you're long term in the marijuana industry, then yes. But Canopy Rivers has been doing horrible, horrible, horrible since its IPO. I think
1 cent donation actually costs money. You could be right. You could be right.
Let's see what Canopy Rivers is at. Canopy Rivers, wow, they're below $3. I feel like this is a good buying point for Canopy Rivers.
Canopy Rivers and Australia's Capital have. Oh man, those two stocks have performed like.
Yeah, they're doing
not that
horrible.
great.
Well, I'm only holding on to Australia's Capital because they were the free shares that Aurora gave us, right?
Yeah.
And I'm also holding on to, well, there's two Australia's Capitals. There's WTS Australia's Capitals, and then there's Australia's
Yeah,
Cap.
warrants. Yeah, those are the warrants. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm still holding on to them. I should have sold them the moment Aurora gave them to you, but I'm down 50% on those stocks. But I got them for free, so can't really complain, I guess.
Oh, what's up, Brandon? Sorry, Brandon's here. What's going on?
But yeah, Canopy Rivers, I don't know. If it depends what price you have it at. I feel like if you're buying now, Canopy Rivers is a good hold. I don't know if I should buy some
Hey,
Canopy Rivers. No,
yo, investing hustler. We gotta do one of those videos like interviewing people on the street. Brandon's in my room. You know Brandon?
yep.
He just did a video on just like interviewing people about financial terms. Like it was hilarious. He's like, "What's a TFSA?" And people are like,
Tax-free
like
savings
the
account.
randomest stuff. It was good though.
Um, so it's what's it called? Mel Dix said, "See, okay." First, his question was, please talk about big corporation bulls and the bears and how they control, influence the resistance points. And he's talking about CGC, Cron, ACB, because they move simultaneously most of the time. So yes, I agree because I remember when Canopy got that $5 billion investment, pretty much every other company went up with them. So Canopy does seem to control the market for sure. And then today Canopy had horrible earnings, and then as you can see, the rest of the market went down with them. Even though Aurora had amazing earnings,
See you, Max. See you, Max.
it
Sorry.
seems so. I don't know. I do think that, and I've heard it many times that CGC, that weed, that Canopy, they control the market. That if weed has a good day, the rest of the market has a good day. But the truth is, we don't really know. I don't know if there's insider trading going on. But in a way, it kind of is a good thing. So let's say Canopy has a really good green day, and there's like a penny stock out there that hasn't been touched, and you invest in that penny stock. You could see that penny stock maybe go up like tens of percent, 20%. So Cali's actually up 8% today. That seems to be the only pot stock
Oh,
that's
really?
doing good. Cali is up 8%.
Damn.
MPX is up 3%.
This
Um,
one's, eh?
uh, Helios and Math. Okay, ticker symbol HMNY is up 10%. These are all penny stocks. So they're Helios, Matheson Analytics. I don't know if that is a pot stock, but they are on my watch list. They're up 10%. But yeah, Cali's doing good today. 8%. I
Uh-oh.
hear best investment. Rich said FSD Pharma is huge. FSD Pharma huge is best to invest in FSD Pharma. Yeah, I've heard Rich talk about. Are you talking about huge? I've heard Rich talk about that.
That's huge, man. Wait. Hold on a second. The CGC earnings were bad. Yeah, they were, Brandon. They were not good. Big losses. Weed stocks are. Da, 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 da. Why are you still single? I know you guys.
What do you mean? Aren't you wifeyed up? For stocks you bought high and are way under now, do you hold and wait for them to go back up, or do you sell and take a loss? It all depends on the company and why they went under. So if you still believe in that company, I would personally average down. That
Hey,
way, it doesn't
Rob.
take as long to go back up to in the green. But there has been times when I took a loss, sometimes because I saw a better investment opportunity, so I wanted to use the cash elsewhere. But
Yo,
I personally hate selling at a loss. What's that?
no, I was just gonna answer one quick question. Rob, where is it? JC Penny stocks. That's hilarious. Okay, Rob. So, Rob Dowling. So, Rob, what does the 10 VIP trader program provide for $10 a month? So basically, it's every week on Sunday at 12, we send a very detailed report about the markets, things to watch, all different sectors. Our first edition was like 25, 30 pages, and I'm also building a Facebook community. So basically, anyone who's in the VIP trader program, we're gonna have an exclusive Facebook community. So I'm gonna post additional content in there. Teach me all the time, and I want to kind of cater to you guys as my own personal community. So yeah, that's why I made it $10 a month, and it's like something that's affordable, and I want to grow it too. I don't plan to. I mean, I plan to increase the price, but anyone who gets in at $10 a month, it's not going to increase. So that's my sales pitch, pretty much. It's like refined news and things to watch, keeping you in tune with the markets. Sorry to sell that, but I just wanted to answer the question.
No, that's fine. So I got a couple questions. What do you mean by averaging down? So let's say you bought a share at $10, and then the company goes down to $7. So I would buy it at $7. So that means my position would then probably average down to 8.50. So instead of me holding onto a company at $10 and it went down to 7, I'll buy at 7 to average down my price. So my prices will go down from 10 to 8.50, and if it dropped down to $5, I would buy again, and that's averaging down. So my share, the value of my shares keeps going lower. So then that way, if that company sees a spike up to $10, I'll be holding that company at, let's say, 6.50, and then instead of breaking even, I could actually make some of that money back. But only average down if you believe in the position or if you believe in that company. And yeah, that was just to answer that question. Um, uh, Aaron, have you heard of Eve and Co? Because I haven't.
Evenco?
Yeah, someone asked me, what do you think of Eve and Co?
I haven't heard.
And then I have some CGC bought. Should I buy more? What price do you have CGC at? CGC, because I look at, when I look at Canopy, I look at it through ticker symbol weed,
Hmm.
because I own them in Canadian shares. Well, right now,
Oh, my tissues. Sorry.
I personally would not buy. I would buy at $32. If it goes to 32 or $30, I would start a position with CGC.
$32, eh?
Yeah,
Oh, dang. CGC is down
the
10.3%
yeah.
now.
So it could be actually right now. It could be a nice buying point, but I don't know. I still think I mean, they do have a lot of money backing them up.
Yeah, the tissues just went. Sorry. What do you think of
Do you guys invest in
EMD?
Bitcoin?
Haven't heard of the
Um,
first EMD. Interesting company. Ooh, I'll have to look into that. Thank you. Internet market.
So do you
Yes.
guys invest into Bitcoin? I do own some Bitcoin. It's a very, 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 very small amount. I honestly would not put that much money into Bitcoin. Very, I'm not what's the opposite of optimistic? Like I did say,
Pessimistic.
yeah, I am. Whatever. My English is my second language, guys. But oh, Bitcoin's actually going down. It's down 6% today. Yeah, I own. This is how much I own. I own. I'm just looking at
Brandon, you
my.
bought Bitcoin?
I own point zero
Like,
0.02 of Bitcoin. I own point zero 0.04 of BCH. I own point 0.39 of Litecoin. Oh,
ooh,
Litecoin's actually very cheap right now. Maybe I might, but the thing is, like, I am not huge into crypto. Like, I'm just like, I have like a small position. So in total, I have about $164 in crypto because it's just that's just my gambling money. It's just like I'm willing to put $500 max into crypto just in case. But I want it. I think it has not reached its rock bottom. I do think Bitcoin will eventually go to around $5,000 US, and then maybe then I'll buy some more. Litecoin's actually looking pretty cheap right now. But yeah,
what's
I'm
your favorite crypto for 2018, 2019? Personally, I like Ripple.
yeah, Ripple has been killing it. I'm not really huge on crypto though. I don't study it hard. I feel like a lot of the channels that were very big on crypto, they got shut down, especially because of Bitcoin Cash. So it's like a very dangerous thing to talk about. So yeah. Oh wow, NOK 55. What is that? 55 NOK. Thank you for that. NTV, you're the man.
Yes, NTV is awesome.
What is that? What does that amount to? Like 2 cents, 3 cents?
No, I think it's like $8.
Seriously? Wow, man. I'm gonna eat good today. I'm joking.
Yeah, me and Investing Hustler, I'm gonna drive down to Toronto actually, because now I got enough money for gas.
Hustler, are you are you recommending buying Planet 13 today? I am not recommending to buy it, but I am gonna say that I just placed an order and I bought some Planet 13 today. I bought some shares. I bought 600 shares at at $1.98. So, but the thing is, I'm not telling anyone to buy it because I also did say that Planet 13 can go as low as $1.70. This is American
Yeah.
prices, so if you don't have money to average down, I mean, I can't really tell you what to do, but I bought some Planet 13 and I'm prepared to average down if it continues to go down. But I don't really recommend anyone just to buy it. Oh my god, Namaste's at $1.49.
No way, really?
I might just place an order with them. I'm still in the green. I'm up 4% with Namaste because I own Namaste at $1.43 and they're down to $1.49. Oh man, that's
Wowzers.
yeah. I'm going on a buying spree today. Uh,
Glory is down 10% too.
it
How
looks
many
like
percent is Namaste down? I just haven't looked. I just
I might just place an order with Namaste right now. So far, you guys have seen me place a lot of these orders live. So you guys are watching me buy these companies. Namaste is down 8% today, but when I look at my bank, they're down more than that. Um, I don't know what price this. I guess maybe I'll put an order in at the exact price I
720.
have it at. I'm putting a Namaste order, and once again, do not buy shares because I'm doing it. One, two, three, four, five. I'm gonna buy let's say 1,200 shares of Namaste at $1.43 if my order gets placed. I'm placing an order at a dollar. You know what? $1.42. I'm gonna average down because
10%. Yeah, Namaste down 10%. Tillery down 10%. CGC down 10%.
oh man, let's make sure that's a buy and not a sell order. Yeah, that's a buy order. I
The
keep
only percentage that matters today is the THC percentage amounts. I love it. That's hilarious.
so yeah, guys. I just put in the Namaste order just now live at $1.42 for 1,200 shares. We'll see if that order gets filled. It might not get
Oh,
filled because that is pretty low. Um,
our dog.
let's see
That's
any other
hilarious.
questions. Let's see. Um,
Canopy.
I heard
Aurora's
Bitcoin will
got to
go up.
hold that $8, guys.
Yeah, I heard Bitcoin was gonna go up 100K at the end of 2018 as well. Um, I mean, there's a lot of people bullish on Bitcoin. Are you? But it's just it's a company. I mean, it's a industry that I would not invest more
Yep.
than 10% of my money.
True. True.
Even then, that's too much. Oh, namaste. Okay, you're talking American prices. When I say $1.42, I'm talking Canadian dollars. But yes, in American, you're probably right. But I'm from Toronto, Canada, guys. So sometimes I forget to say Canadian dollars. I gotta get into the habit of saying
Yeah.
Canadian dollars, Canadian dollars. Joe is from Toronto too. Yes, shout out to Joe for being from Toronto. What's your background, both of you? I'm Serbian, born in Windsor. That's Miroslav. What's your background, Aaron?
I'm Italian, French, and German.
Oh man, what a mix. Well, my mom is from Peru, South America, Peru, and my dad's from Spain, so I'm Spanish. And I came to Canada when I was like 5, so English is my second language. What do you think about Hexo's dilution? What do you think, Aaron?
Billy, I'm close.
Thoughts on
From
ACB? It's
AW.
getting killed now. Aaron, what do you think on Hexo's dilution?
Exos dilution.
Yeah,
I still think it's a, I still think it's a good stock. It's suffered pretty, it's suffered, but
yeah.
I like the partnership they have with Molson Coors. I think that's valuable.
Yeah, well, I've done a lot of swing trades with Hexo. I haven't made that much money. Let me see how. Actually, I'm gonna release a video, you guys. I'm gonna release a video on how much money I made in the past 3 months in the stock market with marijuana stocks. Well, I guess in the stock market in general. I'm gonna
Yo,
see, but
question from NBT, our biggest supporter, sending us all those NOKs. What about cars? So NBT is the big baller here, and he's BMW M4 thinking about buying a 2015 model. What do you think about cars, investing hustlers? Sorry, guys, we're going to change this topic for a little bit.
cars. Well, what do you
Cars,
mean? Well, I do think electric cars are the future.
electric cars,
Oh,
there's
what is
no
he? What?
placement for displacement.
Cards? What do you mean? Do you guys have like beliefs
Cars, like
like
driving
cars,
cars.
like driving cars, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, we're just talking about cool cars. Like he's
Oh,
talking
well,
M4.
everyone loves
All right,
cars.
guys, I'm
I
a I'm a Mercedes fan.
I love all cars. I used to be a Cadillac fan. I currently own an Audi A4. I was supposed to
Yeah,
flip it, but I haven't been getting the price that I want. I actually made a couple videos called flipping a car,
nice.
and yeah, one of my cars is well, it's the car that I own right now is an Audi A4. But I love cars. You gotta love cars. Who doesn't like
Nice.
cars? Um,
Guys, oh shit. Yeah, AMG. I currently have a E550, not 4MATIC, so it sucks. Yesterday, I don't even have snow tires on, and I could barely make it up the tiniest little grade, but it's fun for drifting in the parking lot.
yeah. Do you guys like believe stock? Do
I'm a
you?
big fan of V8s. I love V8s. Naturally aspirated Mercedes-Benz
I think they're
V8.
on my watch list, but I am not invested into believe. Let's see. Are they on my watch list? No, they're not. They weren't even on my watch list, but I just added them. Let's look at. Honestly, I think my charts are broken right now because they're not even showing me accurate charts. So I can't really give you an opinion on that. Sorry.
That's right, Ruckus. Ruckus.
Wow, you're down 20% on Apria. Let's look at my Apria shares. So I currently am holding Apria at $11.24. So wow, Apria did go down big. So I'm only up 13% with Apria. And that kind of
Yeah,
sucks because there was a point when I
are
was
the
up over
same.
100% with Apria, but luckily I did sell off all my shares. I used to have 1,000 shares of Apria. Now I'm only holding on
Wow.
to 300. Um, I'm still holding on, and if Apria goes down to $11.25 Canadian, I will buy back more Apria. So it depends. What price do you have Apria at?
Me?
No, yeah. What about you? I think you told me you have it at $8, or did you sell off all your Apria shares?
No, I still got some Afria. I sold half of Afria at 21.50. So
Yeah.
those profits, but still have some at eight something, 8 or 9. Um, Holly Fam, can you do a review on Green Growth Brand IPO?
Do you know my last name is Ragus? It's sugar backwards.
Maybe.
Sugar.
I'll take a look. Would be nice G-Wagon, but the new ones are ugly. Yeah, I know. Then I don't really like the new
Thank you,
G-Wagons. What
Joe.
do you think of us, investing hustler?
What do I think about what?
The G-Class, the new G-Class Benz. I like the old ones better a little bit.
Um, I don't. Which one? The G wagons?
Yeah.
Oh man, they're way overpriced, and I don't even think the look is like it's a very old school look. I guess it depends on the person because a lot of people love that big boxy old school look,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
some people don't. So I'm not really. I just think that price tag on those G wagons is ridiculous, and I hate to overpay for something. So it
They
all,
are pretty pricey. They're
yeah.
pretty pricey.
So it all depends
Victor
on the person.
Newfield just said there will be 2 to 3 big deals in the sector in the next couple of months.
Cyberworld's like, you guys know that Canopy earnings are over, right? Shout out to Cyberworld for shutting down Aurora.
Cyberworld, man, he took the whole stock down. Are you selling again today?
Yeah, Cyberworld's selling today. If
Cyberworld's taking the whole cannabis market down.
if the market goes down, it's because Cyberworld is selling, and if the market goes up, it's because he's buying.
Cyber, man, can you do us all a favor and buy later on in the day, please?
Oh man, I know this live stream's been going on for $1.26 for an hour. For an hour and 26 minutes. I still
See you
have
later,
50
Four
people
Seasons.
watching. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm surprised you guys are not bored.
I know, right? Jeez.
Yeah.
I think the
Okay.
longest we'll go is an hour and a half.
Yeah, we've done that before, an hour and a half. Do you guys see ACB bouncing back soon? I do see ACB bouncing back soon. Um,
Yeah.
I don't want to sound like a broken record, but wait for next quarter earnings. Just kidding. No, because look, we did not have a full quarter of recreational marijuana, so next quarter is gonna be. I'm hoping big, cause most of the numbers came from the medical marijuana this quarter. Hey guys, watching you at work. Why do you have toilet tissue in front of you, Aaron? Why do you have toilet tissue in front of you?
Well,
I
have
brought
you
some
checked
too,
the market?
cause it's a red day. It's a red day. We're crying here. Actually, none of my tissue paper has not been broken. I have not shed a tear yet. When this box is open, that means I started crying. And the reason why I don't want to open this box is because my grandma gave me this, and she's not in the country, so I'm keeping this box forever.
Your grandma gave you those tissues?
Yeah, and I've just kept it forever. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna open this box. This is my grandma's tissue.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Brandon.
No, I love my grandma. The TP is for the tears. Yeah. So yeah, I do see ACB bouncing back soon. I don't know when we're gonna see those $15 numbers again, but I honestly hope that ACB goes. Let's see what ACB is at right now. I really hope
The
it goes
truck.
it goes below 7. Below. Oh, no, it didn't drop that much.
There's a
But
truck backing up. It's my turn to get backed into today by this truck. Last live stream when it was
no,
your
my house was about to get set on fire last live stream.
some guy was cleaning my windows last time. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
And I opened the blinds and he's literally just like this dude smiling with a squeegee. Just like this. I'm just like, what?
Oh man. Okay, well, it looks like we've been on for quite some time. It's
Yeah.
almost an hour and 30 minutes. Thank you
So
guys for watching. Oh, Cyberworld's like, let me join. I'd be down, but you gotta get OBS and Zoom. Can you join right now, or is it too late? I guess, but we were just about to finish.
yeah,
I'm down to do a collab after Cyberworld.
what should we do, guys? Should we have like you gotta go?
I mean, I don't have to, but my ass is
We
getting
can
tired.
chat for a few minutes if we can get him in here. I can try and invite him to the Zoom meeting. One sec. Let's try and invite him to the Zoom meeting.
All right, try to invite him.
Oh,
Let's invite
the
Cyberworld.
market is not even closed
We
yet.
have a
Don't
new
end
guest
the
appearance.
video.
No, Cyberworld. He just said never mind. We're gonna invite you right now.
All day video.
Check your phone.
Come
Let's see.
on, get him on if you guys can. All
You're
right,
watching
let's try
anime.
this out then.
Okay. Aaron's gonna invite you right now.
Does he have Zoom? Oh wait, he doesn't need Zoom.
What's your
Okay, one
email?
sec. Invite. Email. We need a email.
I wish YouTube
Oh, there we go.
you could just invite someone just like that, like boom.
Sent. It's sent, guys. Cyberworld is en route to the meeting. Tell him to check his email and then click
check
on
your email. You have his email or not? He just sent me it. I could text you it.
not work. Sorry, man. It might be killing the data. This live stream. Sorry. I'm at work right now. This is killing my data.
So
Gotta
good.
connect to the work Wi-Fi.
I just sent you his email.
Aurora needs a spanking.
Damn, Aaron, you were up until 4:20 a.m. last night?
What's that?
You were up until 4:20 a.m. last night?
Hey, you guys hear me?
Oh, look who we have. I can hear you.
Kevin?
Hey,
How's it going, Kevin? We got a
Good.
special guest appearance, Kevin
Got a
Pham.
three-way now. The
I
first
don't heard
three-way.
you guys say that I caused the markets to go down. I don't cause the markets to go down. I'm not that rich.
Kevin, why are you selling all the stock, man?
Dude, that, my gut instinct told me that the stock price is going to go down.
And that's what happened.
And I was right. Look, when Canopy rose to $40, my gut instinct told me that Canopy is going to $60. And it happened in a week. So I
It
bought
happened.
$250,000.
Yeah, he's not joking. When he says $250,000, he means $250,000.
Well,
That's
it's
true.
a little bit more, but
Yeah, no, that's funny. So what do you think about these Canopy earnings? I mean, we all know they're horrible, but let's hear your opinion.
lost on 30 million. I just thank God they have that $5 billion cash they got from Constellation Brand,
Exactly.
because I think in the long term Canopy will do very, very well because they have the most cannabis
Yeah.
and their quality is still it's pretty good. So I mean, I can't see Canopy not making hundreds of millions of dollars next quarter. Like I say at least 200-300 million dollars next quarter. That's my
200-300
guess,
million.
anyways.
Yeah. Well, yeah. How low? You don't think Canopy can go below? How low do you think Canopy could go? Because they do have a lot of money backing them up.
Yep.
Well, it just all depends on the rich investors. If they decide to sell off, then we might have an opportunity at $36. But I don't think it'll go lower than $40. That's my honest opinion.
Yeah, that's what I said too. Because I'm currently holding Canopy at 30. What is it? At 36.35. So I'm not gonna be buying Canopy unless it goes that low. But I don't see it going that low.
Same here. I wouldn't buy Canopy unless it went below 40, but
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. We'll see what
Damn,
happens.
down.
Yeah,
to
well, I'm
45, down
I'm in
10%.
big cash right now, so because I made the gamble of selling off 20,000 shares at 9.76, so I have an option to buy Canopy when it hits 40. If it hits $40, I don't know if it will. I don't.
So, I know this is Canopy earnings. We're getting lots of questions about Aurora, though. What do you think about Aurora, Kevin?
What I think about Aurora, I think they have better earnings than Canopy.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Definitely. That's for sure.
So why do you think Aurora went down? Besides the
Because-
fact that you sold
Because
20,000
the king
shares.
got pulled down. When the king gets pulled down, they all get pulled down.
Yeah.
Yep. I agree with that.
It's like saying Apple falls and the rest of the market stays green. No.
No.
But I think a lot of it has to do with they had $30 million gross revenue, and then they have a $9 billion market cap. Those numbers don't add up. So a lot of that, even though they had amazing earnings, even though they beat their last quarter, they beat their past year. If you look at the $30 million gross revenue and you look at the $9 billion market cap, that's just the numbers don't add. So that could be
Well,
another reason.
you,
Or what
you
do you
gotta
think?
realize this. Okay, you gotta remember that when they acquired Metroleaf, they acquired the shareholders of Metroleaf, right?
Yeah.
Those shareholders can go in and go out, moving the stock up and down, because Metroleaf was valued at $3 billion cash, and all those shareholders either they're choosing to abandon Aurora completely, or they believe in the future and just moving the stock around and just trying to make money on the side. That's what I'm thinking is happening right now. I don't think shareholders are gonna abandon Aurora. I think they believe in Aurora's future. That's
Yeah.
why we have an $8 billion market cap. I mean,
Yeah.
that's the only way I can explain the fact that Aurora has an $8-9 billion market cap. The financials don't make sense. Like, think about it. Cineplex Odeon
Yeah.
is a $2 billion market cap company.
And they make a lot
That,
more money than Aurora, that's for sure.
they make way more money
Yeah.
than Aurora. So,
Yeah.
and they pay a dividend. So I mean, the only reason why Aurora stock is this high is because they're backed by billionaires, rich investors, institutional investors are gambling on Aurora's
Hmm.
future. They're saying that the weed industry is big and Aurora is onto something, and that's why the stock price is even at like $8 or $9 billion.
Yeah, no, I could agree. Okay, I have a few questions here. What price will you be buying ACB? So what price do you plan on buying ACB? Canadian
You know what?
dollars.
I don't want to give that away because
Oh, that's on your
that's
stock
like that's something that
for your course.
my members will know as soon
Oh,
as
oh, here's the plug. I'm joking. So look, I just placed an ACB order today at $7.80. So that's the price I'm buying at right now. If it goes through, but I doubt it's gonna go through. But if it does, I'll be happy to get it at that price. And another question is, I got Aurora at $14. Should I average down? What do you think, Kevin? Can you answer that?
I cannot.
Oh
I
man,
cannot give buying advice
yeah,
because if I do, I could get sued.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So
true.
I cannot give any kind of buying advice at all.
All right,
Uh,
so can you? How about hypothetically speaking, if you bought at $14, what would you do then, Kevin?
at average down.
Yeah, so that's what he would do, but he's not telling you to do that. That's a tough
Yeah.
position to be in. I personally would also average down, but it depends how much cash you got. And then at $14, even if you average down to 7, I guess you would average down to what, $11? So you'd still be sitting in the red for who knows how long, but definitely if you're just gonna sit at $14, it might take you a very long time to go back in the green. Bro, I won't sue you at all. Thank you. Any idea where the bottom is for ACB? Um, right now let's
One.
see. They seem to have like a $8 resistance right now.
This is what I think the absolute bottom for Aurora is $5 billion
Five.
dollars.
So like
Because
how much like five
because
dollars, 5.50 per
if
share?
Constellation Brand was willing to invest $5 billion into Canopy, Aurora is worth at least $5 billion. In my
So
opinion.
share prices, how low is $5 billion per share?
$5, right?
Like the low fives, but
Yeah.
that's like absolute worst case scenario. Like that, the market has to be really bad. So
Hmm. I think that would be a blessing if Aurora went down to 5, because I would buy everything that I sold. I used to have over almost 4,000 shares of Aurora, and right now I'm currently sitting on 600 shares. So I would love to see all my shares back, but we'll see. I doubt it'll be nice to see $5. I know a lot of people would hate to see that, but
That's true, Brandon.
a,
That's true.
a lot of people who are holding a bag, basic. I hate to say use this term bag holding,
yeah,
or really hate.
Dang.
Basically, I'm bag holding. I still have 120,000 shares. Right? No, wait, hold on. I sold off 12,000 today.
yep.
I have 110,000 or something like that. 110,000 shares of Aurora. So I'm still bag holding. So it's gonna hurt me when it goes down to like if it goes down to $5. I don't think it will. I think worst case scenario we'll see is like
Yes,
low
five
seven.
dollars Canadian. Sorry, all these prices we're talking about is Canadian. But yes,
Canadian, not US.
yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
You would for US you just kind of minus $2 off of it.
Do you think ACB will ever go to 1K a share? That is very unlikely. What do you think, Kevin? Do you think they will ever go to 100K a share? I think even $100 a share is pushing it, but that's more of a possibility. But
Well,
one
if
K a
Aurora
share.
can hit $1 billion a quarter, which is a possibility, if they can hit $1 billion a quarter, I think we could see like a $50 price
I'll
tag.
ask T-God in a second. Oh, we got two questions. What about T-God and what about looking into Mexico? Are the cannabis companies going to Mexico? And what about T-God for Kevin?
T-Guard, like, what do you think my price tag for T-Guard is, or what?
How do you
Like,
feel about it at these levels? What do you think about the company in its current state? And yeah.
well, the problem with T-Guard is Roy has a chain around his neck. Basically, if the stock price runs too much, Roy's gonna sell off and use that money.
Yeah.
And and if it declines too much, people like me. So it works out both ways.
So I had an interesting comment actually. It was one of my videos. Someone saying how Aurora made, I think it was $104 million last quarter, unrealized gain, right? So that's like a stock gain. So was that T-God, I think?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Yeah. So Aurora, I believe they recorded $104 million of net income on their last quarter, but part of that was an unrealized gain from tradable securities. So was that T-God?
No, that's not. That was MetroLeaf. When they acquired MetroLeaf, they had $220 million of cash on hand. So when they merged, the cash became a marketable security, and Aurora, Aurora lost $100+ million that quarter, right? And then the $220 million made the difference. That's why they came out with a net income of 108 or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So Namaste is now to $1.43. I placed an order at $1.42.
I just got it at $1.50.
I just placed an order at $1.43, so at 42. So we're gonna see if that order gets filled. I really hope it does. So that means I'm gonna be buying back all the Namaste shares I sold finally. So yeah, this is a crazy red day. I can't believe Namaste is down to one. Oh no, now it's 144. Maybe I should just get it back at $1.43.
Don't get. Well, it doesn't matter.
It's only 1 cent, or I don't know, or it might go down to $1.42. They are downtrending, and
You don't have to wait on Namaste for a year unless you swing trade it.
Yeah, no, I do plan on swing trading the shares that I buy. So if I buy 1,200 shares today, those are the shares I'm willing to gamble.
I see. Yeah, I don't think the stock price would drop any lower than maybe 130, because management does have a buyback share program in. Yeah. So I don't think they'll get shorted all the way to like 50 cents.
Come on.
That would be nuts.
I want it to go down to $1.42. It doesn't seem to want to, but
that's because you're talking about it and people are buying it.
Maybe. Come on. I don't know if I should. The moment I change my order, now it's going back up. It's $1.45. Fuck, I hope I did.
Talked about it.
Assholes, stop buying. Sell. Yeah.
That's why you don't know your buys until you actually do it.
No, but I did talk about all the orders I made today, so yeah.
You're trying to catch that bottom and prop it up after you bought it.
Yeah, I guess the bottom was $1.43. I told everyone the price I had it at, and then everyone put it at that price. Fuck. You know what? I'm changing my order to $1.43. That 1 penny is not worth losing Namaste.
Oh.
And then it goes down to $1.40 the moment I do that. You know what? I can't do it. I can't change it. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. But yeah, we're having a crazy red day. How many red days do you expect to see, Kevin? How long do you think this run will last?
I don't know. I think it's gonna be volatile. I think it's gonna be like trading between. I don't know. I think it's gonna be. I don't know. It's just gonna be volatile. Some stocks won't drop any further because they're already so cheap.
Yeah. So, I have a few questions. Why is Coke not going into ACB? And then Dan Tran said they're all rumors, but what is your opinion, Kevin?
I think they're waiting. I think they're gonna wait until next year before they make a purchase. I think they're gonna just sit back and watch it for a little bit because they don't know for sure how the industry is gonna like. I think they're just watching right now and they're waiting
Yeah,
for
like
it
if
because like the
sorry.
reason why Aurora stock shot up is because Coke came out and said, "Oh, we might invest into Aurora," and then now the stock's like all the way back down. That just shows the power of Coke, right?
Yeah.
So, so I think Coke's just waiting until the real numbers come out and see how things develop next year when cannabis beverages come online. I think that's what Coke wants, cannabis beverages, and they're not online yet. So why invest into Aurora right now?
Yeah, no, exactly.
I
That's what
get,
I said
I
too. Because I think that if I were Coke, I would wait for Aurora to drop as low as possible before I invested into them. Why would you invest into Aurora when they were $15 when you can possibly invest into them when they're at $7 a share or maybe even five? So that is the smart move to do, is to wait for those share prices to drop.
Well, the problem is Aurora management might not accept an investment at $7 or $8. They might value their company at $14 to $15 or even $20 before they will allow, because it's like when they do a deal, it's like a argument between the two, right? They're like always saying different prices. So
Yeah,
like Aurora's trying to benefit their shareholders by getting the best price possible.
yeah,
That's what that's why Canopy got a $48 price tag, right? When the stock was trading at $40.
yeah,
They're trying to
exactly.
get value for their shareholders. And Aurora is doing the same thing. They're not going to accept the deal unless they get some value for their shareholders.
Yeah. What's going on, Stock Market 101? And IVOB said cryptos are crashing as we speak.
Yeah. Oh, cryptos are crashing right now.
As we speak.
Let's check.
Well, we
If
just
Bitcoin hits $4,000, I might buy one.
yeah,
One,
no,
just
that's what I was saying. I
On
said if
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin goes below five, I would be buying more. I'm not gonna buy a full Bitcoin though.
Let's
Um,
see what we got here, guys, for cryptos.
wow,
maybe.
Bitcoin! I just literally 10 minutes ago I said Bitcoin's
Ooh.
gonna go to around $5,000, and right now Bitcoin's at 5,675. So I called that.
No way, really?
Yeah, Bitcoin is going to 5,000. Could this be the Great Depression that we've all been talking about?
Yeah, crypto has crashed hard today.
Yeah,
Wow.
Bitcoin is down 12% this week. Bitcoin's down
Ripple
10% today.
was down
Namaste dropped. Oh, did I get
14%
my
today.
did I get my buy order for Namaste? Let's see. Let's see. Yes, Namaste. I finally own Namaste. Well, I own
Nice.
Namaste, but I got my buy order at $1.42, and Namaste is currently sitting at $1.41 now. Should have made it $1.41. I'm joking. It's okay if
Wait,
Jeez.
oh sweet, I can make it at 141.
yeah. Now it's at $1.40. So luckily I didn't bring up my buy order. I might make another order of Namaste at a dollar. What do you think? $1.25. If it continues to drop, I'll buy at $1.25.
Yeah, it'll eventually stop bleeding and it'll rise.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
basically.
So far live, you guys have witnessed me buy some Namaste. I bought 1,200 shares of Namaste. I bought 150 shares of Kron. I bought 1,500 shares of Kemp, and I bought 600 shares of Planet 13. And I might continue buying Planet 13 because now it looks like Planet 13 is bleeding in the Canadian market right now. Actually, no, it's up to 251. I currently have a position at $2.50. So
Just a question. Can you guys see my screen?
all we see is Kevin Pham.
Okay, good.
What are you up to, Kevin?
Buying stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some more Planet 13 in Canadian. Eight.
Oh, what did Planet 13 drop to?
They're at $2.51, but Canadian, I'm making an order at $2.40 for Planet 13.
That's
There we go.
pretty
There
attractive
we go.
price.
Back to my chat.
Yeah, it is. Cause they did
I,
go
I
up.
just bought, I made a big purchase today.
How low can
I'll
it
share,
go?
I'll share on live stream. I bought 50,000 US dollars of new age beverages at $3.
Oh, and Bev, I have that company on my watch list, but I didn't buy them. Let me see what are they at right now.
Right.
They are. Hold on, let me look.
Yeah, NBev
They
tank.
are at $3.20. The price I bought it at.
What are they at now though? I can't find their ticker symbol. How come? NBev.
NBEV.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
they're on
NB.
my watch list. I just have way too many companies on my watch list that it's so hard to find. So yeah, they're at 321. Yeah, luckily I didn't buy it the other day when they were tanking. How
Yeah,
but
and Bev tanked hard. They didn't they just like dilute their shares, but that's why it dropped 20% in one
yeah, I
day.
think they added more shares or
Yeah,
because they needed more money. It does seem that this could, I don't know, but NBev does have the possibility to go down to $1, $2, 270
Oh,
maybe.
yeah, I'm definitely picking up more if it does.
Yeah.
I did my research on that company and I like that company, so I'm just gonna add more the lower it drops.
Yeah.
Look at
yeah. I think it's good to own something in the CBD space, and NBev is they do look like a good company.
look at
Like,
the market cap. Look at the don't look at the price per take. Look at the market cap. It's fairly cheap compared to the rest of the cannabis industry, and the listed
161
on the
million. You're right.
and they're listed on the Nasdaq. And when weed becomes legal, maybe they'll get into the cannabis drinks. Why
You,
not? They're going into CBD drinks.
you know what, Kevin? I'm sold. I'm buying NBev. Just kidding.
yeah,
Oh man, Planet 15 just went back up. I should have bought more at 250. Damn it. Well, it might drop again. Um, yeah, I don't know. Do you own NBev,
oh,
Aaron,
why
or
is it
no?
green? Holy.
Oh, oh, we got the purchase capital in the live stream. What up, guys? I'm in my own chat. Wow, this is the most red day crypto has seen in months. I've been preaching crypto's gonna drop to five. I mean, Bitcoin's gonna drop to $5,000. I've been saying that for so long. And then cuz I follow a lot of Bitcoin channels and people I get so much hate. They're like, "Oh, no, you missed out. Bitcoin's going to 10, 20 again." No, Bitcoin's going to drop to 5. I've been saying that. How can I get crypto? Do I have to buy US? Can I buy Canada? You could but buy crypto in Canada, but the only problem is that like one of the safest apps that I use is Coinbase. And right now, Coinbase, you can only buy crypto, but you can't sell it. So it kind of sucks. You're stuck
Are you
holding long
kidding?
term.
You
Yeah,
can sell it?
you can't sell it. They have to like they have to add that feature unless you open an American account and then you buy crypto with American dollars, then you could sell it. Or you could sell crypto if you could send it to a different wallet. It's very complicated, but you can buy crypto with Coinbase, but it's very complicated to sell. You can't sell it directly through Coinbase. Looks like Bitcoin just went through
That's
its most recent
crazy.
death cross.
What's up,
I just thought
Ruckus?
Kevin wasn't buying for a couple days. Yeah, someone said I just thought Kevin wasn't buying for a couple days. What happened, Kevin? Um,
This is my corporate account. I can
oh,
still
okay,
buy on my corporate account. Just my
okay.
main accounts I can't sell.
This is exactly why one should stay liquid to a degree. Yes, you are right. NBev at $75 a share. Where do I see what InBev is that? I've never. What is InBev?
New Age beverages,
No,
yeah.
but he's saying INBEV, not NBev.
Oh,
INBEV. $75 a share. Where do you see $1 and $4? Oh no, I think he's saying 75 cents.
he
I'm
got us here.
confused.
I'm just going to hold until it goes back up.
My bank won't let me buy US. Do you have
They
to? I
will.
think you have to open an American
You guys
account.
wonder what I'm doing? I'm checking the chat.
That's weird. Mine lets me buy US.
Oh yeah, cause but I don't know if he's talking about crypto, cause
You
he's
got
the same guy that said, "How can I get crypto?" But yeah,
oh
Hey,
cause
crypto.
people, let's go back up to
You
100 people, guys. 100 people in the room. Come on.
you need to open you basically need to open some kind of BitConnect, I think.
Offie.
yeah, well, I'm using Coinbase for.
Yeah, something.
81 people.
Let's see how Namaste is doing. Namaste is back up to $1.42, so that's the
Yeah,
price I
how are
bought
they
it up.
doing?
$1.42, so that's the price I have it at.
Oh, did you make a cent on it?
Yeah, no, I purchased it at $1.42, so it's
Oh, good
exactly
job.
what I purchased at.
No. ACB is down to 801. Uh-oh.
That means my order might come through. I made an ACB order at $7.80.
802. We're just gonna watch ACB's price now.
Yeah,
I'm
and
not
even Canopy's down to $45. This is all Canadian dollars, guys. Canadian dollars.
801. 801. Yikes.
NBev keeps it. NBev is at $3.16. I don't know. Maybe I'll place an order for NBev at $3. We'll see. I might just
Anyone
do
who
it.
sends me $8.01 on Super Chat right now, I will buy one ACB stock and it's gonna cost me $9.95 commission. So it's gonna cost me $18, and then as long as it goes up to $20, I'll make $2. But then when I sell it, I'm gonna lose another $10.
How long has this live stream been on for?
Oh man, this is our longest live stream. Almost 2 hours, an hour and 54.
Holy shit! I wonder if anyone's gonna watch for like 2.5 hours.
I don't know, man. But we've had I have people watching. We've had people watching this whole entire time, but I don't know if
Hopefully
it's
someone watches it afterwards and just I'm gonna drop like 86 ads in it.
Oh man, you can buy crypto with Canadian dollars. You have to sign up with Canadian Exchange. Infinite Possibility says thanks in investing hustler. I can't buy any US. So you can't buy any US crypto or any US stocks. I'm not sure if we're still talking about the same thing. ACB is tanking. Not BitConnect. That's a naughty word. Hey, you need to hit that naughty button for BitConnect.
What's that?
You need to hit that naughty button for BitConnect because someone is like not BitConnect. That's a naughty word.
Sorry. Okay, that's enough.
ACV CGC at a low for today. Someone retracted their message. Okay. So,
guys, ACB just hit 750. I'm just kidding.
Oh man, I would have got excited.
Sorry.
You
No, there was
can't do
definitely
that.
some buy orders in at $8 because it bounced to 804. Massive
Damn,
bounce.
assholes! I'm trying to get it at 780.
Uh,
You know what? I shouldn't say that because now people are gonna get it at 781. Just to be dicks.
well, I know where I'm putting my buy order in at now.
I have ACB at 779.
Really?
Nah. I'm trying to see NBev. I'm trying to pick up some NBev right now. American.
Wait.
I'm running out of money, guys. I'm running out of money.
So I'm here for over an hour instead of working from home. Yeah. Boss. Namaste down 13.72%. What did you buy Namaste at?
$1.42
Now.
Canadian. Right. Hold on. I'm making an order right now. An NBev order. I'm buying 500 shares. Well, hopefully, I don't know if it'll drop to $3. Maybe I'll do 305. Actually, I shouldn't even say anymore because people will just buy it at 306.
Yeah, you should put in a number and just not tell anyone. It's on live.
Yeah.
You don't want to give your strategy away.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's a live stream. I think people wouldn't mind knowing what I'm buying at. So yeah, I just placed an order. You know what? Yeah, let's do it. I don't know if it's gonna go through. That is pretty low, but
I put 5,000 order for Namaste for 140. So I don't know if it'll actually hit it. I really don't care at the end of the day. If it doesn't, I'll just buy something else.
yeah. So I'm about to submit. So $1.40. Yeah, I think I put my second order at $1.25. I don't think that's ever gonna hit though. That would be amazing. Submit order. Should I submit? Yeah, let's submit order. So it's official. I've made like 7 orders today. I don't know if I got that live stream trigger finger because I feel like every time I live stream I'm just making like 100 orders. So hopefully they all go through. But
It's hard not to make an order when things that look so red.
I know. Yep. So it does look, the order has obviously not gone through. So let's look at my other orders. Oh no. So far my Namaste order went through. My Cron order went through. Hemp T-God did not go through. I put an order at 290. XLY did not go through. I put an order at 89 cents. Hexo I put an order at 575. Didn't go through. And obviously Aurora didn't go through at 780. I put an order of Planet 13 at 240, and these are all Canadian prices. Canadian prices.
Hey guys, I'm coming back. Oops, a little bit busy there. Never catch a falling knife. NBev has more room to drop. Kevin, buy some Namaste. That's what people are saying.
I think we have a 15-second lag because
I do have Namaste. I have 3,000 shares.
Okay. Ain't buying
3,000
Namaste
shares.
till it
Yeah,
hits
I currently
50 cents.
own. I own 2,400 shares of
It won't ever
Namaste.
hit 50 cents. If it hit 50 cents, management would be like, yeah, we can buy for dirt cheap. Because they have a buyback share program. So I don't think shorters are going to be that courageous and short the stock all the way to 50 cents.
Infinite Possibility said, "Don't you dare drop 67 ads in it."
I'm gonna drop 66.
5 ads.
Oh, Brett Weeb, he's our true hero. Watched the entire last one. Glad to catch today. Well,
Wow.
good luck watching the entire this one because this one's gonna be 2 hours. We're hitting 2 hours just now. I love having
Are you
KG
serious?
up 100% in
Yes.
the past 2 months. So KG
Thank you, everybody, for
let's take a look at
tuning
KG. Have you heard of KG Cyberworld? Kona Gold. Wow,
no, I haven't.
they're up for 15% today. This is thanks. I just added them to my watch list.
What's the symbol?
It's KG.
KG.
This guy said he's up 100% in the past 2 months. IVOB is holding ACB at $6.80. That's a great price to have it at. That's better than what I have it at. But this is I'm not sure if you're talking Canadian or American, but Canadian I own ACB at 773. So I'm not sure if you're talking.
That's hilarious.
Joe the Locator, time to get back to work. Thanks for the live stream.
I can't find that symbol you're talking about.
Oh.
KG.
KG.
Yeah, I think it's an American company.
Aurora's back to 810, guys.
No.
Huge bounce.
Just kidding.
Bonus Solutions.
Yeah.
I found it.
You two have a good day, Joe the Locator. Thanks for watching the live stream.
If you bought that at a penny, you would have been up like 1,000%.
I know, that's crazy. Hello, Emily Pena. Nice to see you here.
I would not touch that stock right now just because it already risen 1,000%. If it goes back to a penny, I might throw some money into
Yeah,
it.
thanks, Joe. Hopefully that was the bottom, but Namaste might continue dropping.
Investing Hustlers chat room.
ACB is testing $6 American, and CGC is testing $34 American simultaneously. Coincidence? I think not. Just kidding. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there might be some insider trading. Who knows? Who really knows? But if that is true, that means you can be consistently swing trading ACB at $6 a share. Because then you could be buying at 6 and then selling when it pops up. Buying at 6. Okay, do you guys have 15-second lag? Yes, we do. What if the following 2 months are red? Oh, man. If the following 2 months are red, that means I'm going to lose a lot of money. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's really hope that doesn't happen. But
I just don't know how. How would 2 months of red be work out? Like what Aurora would be like $2?
That would be good. I wouldn't complain. I'll buy if Aurora goes down to $2, I'll buy
If Aurora goes down to $2, I'm gonna live stream 24 hours a day and beg for money. I'm gonna be the next generation of online beggar.
What do you guys think of Enron stock? Is that another made up stock? Would you get in on these levels? I mean, would you hold? Oh man, would you? I don't know if it goes down. Well, obviously, I'm not gonna sell if it's been going down that big.
Yo, investing hustler. I was just joking about that. Do you know about Enron?
Dude, I don't know about Enron.
Enron was like the biggest Ponzi scam in the stock market. Just Google it.
Yeah, I'll Google it. Hold on. I mean, would you hold? I would be forced to hold because there's no way I will sell Aurora at $2. There's no way in hell I would sell Aurora at $2. If anything, if it ever went down that low, I'll be buying. And
Thank you, NTB. You're my biggest fan. I can almost buy one more Aurora stock now.
At $2, Aurora would have more assets than the actual market cap of the.
I appreciate it.
if it, at what did you say, at two what?
At $2, they would have more assets than the market cap.
Oh man.
So I don't
Yeah,
think it'll ever
I don't
drop
I don't
down
see
that.
that happening. I mean, like we said, I think the Aurora will go. The lowest it could go down is $5.50.
Yeah, I think around there too. If it actually hits that price, if rich people actually allow it to go down that much, because if rich people let that price drop down that low, some other rich person would be like, come along and be like, okay,
Yeah.
this is an opportunity.
No, at $2 a share, I'll buy minimum 10,000 shares of Aurora. So that's
If
20K.
you have any money by that time it hits there.
Yeah, that's if I don't stop buying. I need to stop buying now. This guy scared me. Just kidding. Someone just said I want ACB to go up $50. Yes, go up to $50.
Not anytime soon.
Yeah, maybe in 5 years.
No, I say in 2 years.
2 years, that'd be amazing.
Okay, once Aurora Sun comes up, when Aurora Noid comes up, and Aurora Sky comes up, they'll be producing like $3 billion of revenue from those three facilities.
IIPR is the most stable investment. Let's see. What is IIPR?
IIPR. Wow, Aurora at $8. If 250 shares is only $2,000, is that right? Yeah, that's right.
IIPR.
Buy any Aurora today, Investing Hustler?
I put an order at 780 and it didn't go through, so.
Oh yeah, that's right. Hey, the day's not over yet, so.
It's not over. I don't want to buy more than even at 780. I'm averaging up because I own Aurora at 773 now, so. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how the day goes. And it looks like Namaste is in the green, $1.43. So I might have caught the bottom for Namaste. We'll see. I'll be swing trading 1,200 shares of Namaste. I did put a second order at $1.25 for Namaste. We'll see how that goes. Planet 13 seems to be going back up again. Let's see how these companies are doing. How's Canopy doing? Oh no, Canopy is down 11.3%. Still in the red. Tilray is down. What do you think about Tilray's earnings, Kevin?
It's horrible. I don't know how this stock is valued at
10 billion. I know they have.
$10 million.
Yeah, they have $10 million gross revenue, and then their market cap is. Wait, did Tilray's market cap just drop? Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong
How
count.
Tilray can produce 30,000
10
kilograms?
billion.
I think according to the earnings report, they said they are producing around 35,000 kilograms of product right now, and by the end of next year, they should wrap up in Canada. Anyway, they should wrap up to 60,000. But then they have a facility in Portugal where they're growing cannabis outdoors. So that what?
I'm just replying to comments. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you, Kevin.
Yeah, basically they have a facility in Portugal where they're growing cannabis outdoors, and they're gonna be selling that internationally. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Tilray could have a future, but right now it's extremely overvalued. But it doesn't matter because they have rich people backing it.
Yeah, and they also have a lot less shares.
Most of this stuff is valued at what investors is willing to pay for it.
I did a swing trade with Tilray, and I'm still holding on to my, because I think I bought like 38 or around that much shares, and then I sold 36 of them, so I'm still holding on to 2 shares of Tilray. But if it goes to $90, I'll buy Tilray. But these numbers don't make sense. $10.39 billion market cap and $10 million in gross revenue. That just makes absolutely no sense. And
but it doesn't matter. Stocks don't make sense. Like stocks are valued on what investors are backing it. Like if Tilray obviously has billionaires backing it, that's why it has a $9.59 billion market cap. Obviously, it's not like Canadian investors are going to throw money in it.
Yeah, no, for sure. Someone just said, so does ACB, oh yeah, hello, Sylvia Johnson, nice to see you here. Someone
There we
just
go.
said, so
Sorry
does
guys, I'm back
ACB
now.
have the best numbers in the industry at the moment? I think they do, right? What do you think, Kevin? Does Aurora have the best numbers in the industry at the moment?
It does.
They
Aurora
do.
has the best. That has the best number in Canada right now.
Yeah, I'm surprised to see them tank after such amazing earnings.
It wasn't amazing. They lost $110 million, so it wasn't that amazing.
But
I mean, the
quarter
only
over
reason
quarter, they
why they
beat everything. Well, almost everything. And
yeah, I mean, the future looks bright, but the earnings didn't look that great in my opinion. That's just my opinion though, because when I listen to the conference call, it sounds like management is, sounds like they're confident that they'll do well.
yeah. So IVO said Goldman's prediction, big market crash. How do you think cannabis will hold in the long-term bear market? What do you think?
Oh,
Yeah.
what I think?
Yeah, Goldman's
Uh,
prediction, big market crash. How do you think cannabis will hold in the long-term bear market?
oh well, like right now, I like if the market crash, I don't see Canopy stock going below like $36. I mean, like, was I guess maybe $30 if the
Yeah,
market.
I'd say so. What one thing, if I can add, one thing about cannabis is it's kind of like a defensive stock if you look at it that way. You know, alcohol and tobacco perform well in a recession.
Yeah,
I mean, cannabis. I honestly believe that there's way more.
there's way more what? You cut off, Kevin. Is ACB at the bottom yet? I think did I lose you guys? Hey, Aaron, can you hear me or no? Yo, I guess Zoom ended our trial. That was a long ass live stream.
People wanted to ask a few more questions. Let's just say goodbye.
Yeah, I'm just like I guess. Oh, you want to go back on to say goodbye?
Yeah. Just come back on for a sec because there's people back in. So I just sent you an invite. I sent Kevin an invite. We'll see if he comes back in, but yeah, just accept it, and then
Okay.
you can just say goodbye to everyone, or we can chill for another 5 minutes, and then you got Investing Hustler on the phone.
What's going on, guys?
Live call from Investing Hustler.
Live call. I mean that was pretty fun. I'm trying to go back on.
Okay.
The marijuana stocks are crashing my computer.
The marijuana stock crashed Investing Hustler's computer. That's why we lost him. There was too much.
Too many buy orders.
Too many buy orders. Did you manage to get it?
I got your invite. I'm about to join just now.
Okay.
How do you end live streams though? Do you just exit that live stream page and it just does it on its own, or is there something you press?
You just press stop recording on OBS.
Okay.
Yeah. He's coming, guys. He's coming.
Yeah. How many people you got in your group?
27. How much people left after?
Wow. I don't know if my number is accurate. It says am I on Zoom with you or no? I feel like I joined.
Good video.
Huh?
Good video. Good audio. Thanks. You guys are great. Next time, Rich TV. Well, buy orders. That's gotta be a good thing, right? Hope so. 28. 28. What's up, John? Okay. Did you get into the request or no?
It's joining. My computer's being very slow.
Okay. Investing Hustlers on the he just says too many buy orders right now. How low can Canopy go today? That's another question. Everybody wants to know. Is it worth buying back in at the end of the day?
I don't know what's going on. Come on.
You're on? Is it on? Is it not working?
It's loading.
Okay.
It's probably because I left my computer on for like 3 days straight.
Your RAM is maxed out.
Open Zoom. It's joining.
Okay. You got people waiting on you.
Is Kevin on yet or no?
No, should send him a message here. I'll check to Kevin. Hang on, guys, 1 second. Kevin.
Says that I'm joining.
Send you a request. There we go. We got Investing Hustler back, guys.
I'm back.
Investing Hustlers back in the house. Sorry about that. We lost it.
Huh. I don't know. It still shows that I'm lagging. Am I back?
You're back.
Okay.
You're black screen right now, and then the camera will eventually
Oh, there you
show
go.
up.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, I hear an echo. Is there an echo? No echo.
Yeah, I hear a bit of an echo, but it's probably because I'm using my phone too. Here, let's just.
Oh yeah,
let's
I'm gonna hang on. Okay. Alright, so we're back. We just came here to say goodbye, because I was maybe read a couple more questions. Bloomberg has
I know, right?
jumped out of T-God, just scraped a tiny profit. That's good, man. At least you got a profit. Can't hear.
Batteries are on low.
Can hear you, just can't see you. Audio up. Investing Hustler. Okay. Hustler till next time. Holy fam, what happened? Yeah, good show. Baby, only person missing on this live stream is me. Baby, I emailed you yesterday. I was down to do a collab. You didn't respond.
Hey, baby, if you want to get on the live stream, you can get on real quick. I'll send you an invite.
Yeah, let's get everyone. Good show, you guys, and Kevin give interesting perspectives. That's good to hear. Let me check. Or he can Right here, I'll give it to you. I don't know if he wants me to make it public.
Just text it to me, and then
Yeah,
I'll just
text it to you.
I'll just invite. Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, no, I'm texting you his email right now.
Okay, cool. We're getting one more special guest, guys. 35. Oh, 36 people.
Mm.
Gonna run out of tissues later. I haven't been using them because I don't want to cry on the air. I don't want to cry on live stream.
This is officially like the longest live stream ever.
I know. Seriously.
We had a couple little meltdowns. All right, I sent you his email.
Okay. Okay, going right now. Oh, I can't even reach my keyboard. I gotta move the globe, guys. We're moving the globe down just a little bit. There we go. I just don't want to knock it over.
So Namaste seems to be going back up. I just made an order at $1.42, and my order went through, and now Namaste is up to 144. If Namaste goes up to 180, I'm gonna sell the 1,200 shares I just bought. It's just literally gonna be a quick little swing trade. Um, Aurora is still at 808. So my order for 780 for Aurora did not go through.
There you go.
I literally just made there's a couple US orders I made. I made an order for Planet 13 at $1.98 and they went through, and I made an order for NBev at $3 and it hasn't went through.
Okay. Oh. Shoot, forgot to check my chat. Hey, hello everybody. Great show. What's up, Tico traders? We got Tico traders in the room. What do you guys think? ACV, hey Tico. What's up, Picasso? Crappy day.
It is a crappy day.
No kidding, Aaron. Yes.
But it's a buying day. I bought some shares.
Bitcoin is crashing hard. Yes, it is. Okay, seriously, what's today's low for Canopy? What's today's low for Canopy, guys? What do you think about ACB in the end of 2018?
At the end of 2018, I'm hoping ACB goes back up to $12.
That would be awesome. That would be a Christmas present.
Oh no, at the end of 2018, that's this year. I was thinking 2019. 2018, damn. I think it'll go damn, it might go lower cuz cuz of cuz the January effect. People are going to start collecting selling their shares for tax purposes at the end of December. So maybe ACB might go even lower, but who knows? But 2019, I think ACB will do a lot better.
I hope so. They better.
No, because they're going to have a full quarter of earnings with recreational and medical marijuana. And maybe, hopefully, they get a deal. It doesn't have to be Coke, but hopefully they get a deal with some company. And it looks like ACB is going back up. It's at $8.13. Namaste is now at $1.45. Maybe invite Kevin. Did you send Kevin an invite as well or no?
I did, but I don't know.
Yeah, it does look to be going back up. I'm glad I bought some shares. Some of my buy orders did not go through. The buy orders that did not go through are my Aurora didn't go through, T-God did not go through, XLY did not go through, and Hexo did not go through.
Thanks. Oh, how is ACB the best one? I know. I want to Namaste 146. Oh, you're making that money.
Yeah, I'm in the green with Namaste now. I just bought Namaste at $1.42, so Namaste's in the green. So if someone imitated my my purchase, you guys are in the green too. But hopefully no one did, because I don't recommend anyone to do what I do.
Yeah.
I don't recommend it, but yeah, no, it does. I'm up $80 with Namaste now. I literally just bought it at $1.42, so I could sell that and go get myself next to nothing. I'll sell Namaste at $1.80. If it goes up to $1.80, I'll sell Namaste. 1,200 shares I'll sell, and I'll hold on to my 1,200 long term.
So the next question is, how nice is the nap going to be after this?
Oh man, I'm definitely taking a nice nap. I feel like we should start doing. Do you guys prefer morning live streams or evening live streams?
Maxed out. Thanks. Yeah, what do you guys prefer? Morning, afternoon, or 2 a.m. live? I'm just kidding.
Yeah. What time is better for live streams? Do you guys know? $6 US ACB, $1 US
Morning.
NXTTF. Christopher prefers morning.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of morning. We're getting one evening.
Damn. I am not a morning person at all,
We're
but
getting the a.m. Market open. Okay, so we're getting market open. I do all day, all day,
all day live streams.
all day. It's just me, like
That's funny.
two people in the room. I'm just like, hey, they're just like watching
Live streaming while you're sleeping. Oh
I'm gonna run
man.
like 97 ads in that video.
Get some kids, then you will be. Yeah, I don't have kids yet. Yeah, everyone said morning. We got 3, 4 mornings. We got a 10 a.m. Yep, it looks like people prefer morning live streams. Same
Yeah.
start as today. We started today at 10, eh?
AM and PM. That's what they call a sleep stream.
Sleep
Afternoons.
stream.
I think you guys are doing a great job. Thank you, Ronald. Thank you, Ronald. YouTube breaking the barrier.
Oh man, 2
Video
hours
breaking
and
the
a
barrier.
half. Who here has been here for 2.5 hours? That's funny, man.
Yeah.
2.5 hours. That's crazy long.
Our dedicated fan. Yeah. Who's our most dedicated fan?
Yeah, who's our number
Kevin's
one
back
fan?
in the room.
What's
You
that?
guys starting up the live stream
Oh,
again?
Kevin is back. What?
Yeah,
Yes.
sorry, it dies after 40 minutes. You can only do 3 people for 3-way for 40 minutes, and then it dies because it's free.
Is baby coming too or no?
Where's baby at? We sent him that request.
Yeah,
but-
he asked for a request and he didn't come.
Let me just make sure that I gave it the right email.
Are you guys planning to live stream all day long?
Yeah, people are like, we want all day live streams.
I gotta figure out a way to.
I guess it doesn't really matter because I can just do the stock market. I'm always sitting on my chair watching the stocks, anyways.
Yeah, exactly. So we're literally just keeping up to date. It looks like we're timing this market perfectly.
Hey, look like you made some money on Namaste.
Yeah, I made some
5%,
money.
right?
Yeah, well,
5%?
Wow, that's the
let's see
huge
what they're up
trade.
now. I just refreshed my page. Let's see. I just
Yo, so
Oh,
am
we
I
got
in
baby.
now?
Oh, I'm up $104 on Namaste. Okay, what's going on, baby? We got another guest here.
Yeah.
what's up, guys?
So does anyone have questions for baby? What do you think about today, baby?
Let me see. Where do I see the chat? I don't have it in front of me.
Oh,
You're in it.
we'll
You're talking
ask
right
you.
now.
We'll
We
just
all
ask
can
you. But the question is, what do you think about Canopy's earnings?
I mean, the industry is great. Everything's green. No, I'm just kidding. I would love everything to be green, though. But so much blood in the streets. I've been just putting stuff on my to-buy list, and I'm looking to buy some stocks tomorrow.
Tomorrow, you don't think there'll be? Because it looks like we're already bouncing back today, but it might be a false alarm.
Dead cat bounce. You never know. We'll see.
No, I think we're in the oversold territory. I think we're gonna have a recovery tomorrow.
Yeah.
This is my prediction. I'm usually somewhat accurate sometimes.
But it works like this. So I have to turn my euros into Canadian dollars to
Oh.
be able to buy something. So it's like a day in between, and I just put some money on my brokerage account, and I have to wait like 24 hours, something stupid like that.
Okay. Oh wow, that sucks. Yeah. No, I made a bunch of buy orders today. I think 4 of them got filled. I've
What
already.
did you get?
So I've bought Planet 13 600 shares at $1.98 American. I bought Namaste 1,200 shares at $1.42 Canadian. Some Cron Canadian at 10.50. Some hemp at $1.10. How's hemp doing?
It looks like some people beat you to it. They're starting to sell off. It's dropping.
They're starting to sell off, eh? No, I'm gonna hold Namaste. I won't sell until it goes to like $1.80. It's no big deal. If I have another order for Namaste at $1.25. Yep. So
I don't think I'll ever drop that low, but
I doubt it too. I'm gonna have to mute.
$2.99, so I maybe try average down if it drops a little bit more, but I really don't think so.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. So. Okay, so someone just said Kevin was explaining how the cannabis would perform in the bear market crash before before we lost the stream. So can you go? Do you remember what you were saying, Kevin?
Oh, I said that I don't think I think the price of the stock will hit a certain price. I don't think it's gonna drop in I think Canopy will hit like worst case scenario $30. Aurora worst case scenario
$5.50, $5, I guess.
$50.
And these are Canadian prices. Canadian prices.
These are Canadian prices. US, I have no. That's my scenario. Even if like the market crash, I don't think the stocks would tank out that much because if you think about it, within the next 3 months, they're gonna announce some really good numbers, and that's like by that time, how can these stocks stay depressed for that long? And then why would the market why would rich people give you the opportunity to make money of a lifetime if it's way below $5?
That vibration though. Yeah, no, I could. And the thing is, if Canopy and Aurora goes down, then we all know what's gonna happen to the rest of the marijuana market. Everything else will go down with it. So yeah. I can agree with that. And what do you plan on buying tomorrow, baby?
So I was looking for, as I said, a little bit more TGOD. We also I just prepared a video on Emerald Health today. So probably also some Emerald Health looking stable.
Really
But then
God, hey.
Also like Shoom, just like some of the cheaper companies.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't understand why you like T-God. I mean, I understand the future is bright for T-God, but that's like a year later before
Exactly. So I'm buying T-God for my second portfolio. So I have 3 different portfolios. My second portfolio is focused on the 1 to 2 year span. So I'm looking to capitalize on giant growth on T-God.
Yeah.
Well, in just as you said, like a year, 2 years from now.
Yeah.
I guess it's a long-term position for you.
Has a chain on T-God's neck right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's also the reason they dropped that much in the last, 3 weeks, something like that. Aurora was dropping so many shares. Then they stopped selling and T-God exploded.
Yeah, what I feel like there was some news to drive up the T-God shares.
No, it wasn't that they were selling. Basically, they came out saying that they're treating T-God stock as a marketable security. So at any time they can sell the stock. So if the price rises too much, then Aurora's going to sell the stock. That caused the stock to tank back.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Someone said one day we should try to live stream all the way till the market closes. So that's like literally like an 8-hour shift of live streaming.
I don't think so. I kind of want to watch the Midas letter around 1 o'clock. So
I know, that's crazy. I have to post up ads. I gotta eat.
As long as there's like 19 ads running all day, I'm okay with that. But
yeah, I mean, if we're getting tipped throughout the day, that works. But like a whole day of live streaming, that's crazy.
I'm curious how much you guys are making off your ads on YouTube.
Squad. I'm literally making squad. I'm not yet monetized.
You need monetized. I'm talking about Hustler and.
Well, right now, if I look at my estimated revenue for the past 28 days, it says 1,127. So it's not bad.
That's pretty good for just having your monetization.
Yeah, it's my first month doing it. I haven't got paid yet.
First month doing it was
Probably.
$1.
no way.
Really?
What?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at like 550 right now, and it's not
yeah.
even halfway through the month.
Oh yeah,
but,
that's good.
my first month, I was releasing like really quality videos, and I only had one ad on it, and I was only getting like a few hundred views, right?
Yeah.
You've been killing it on the ad front, though. You have like, what is it, 5 or 6 ads on your
Yeah.
videos?
Yeah,
I discovered that you could put more ads on 10. I'm like, why not? And then people
I
start bitching about it, and then
yeah.
I told them about my business, and then people stopped bitching about it. It's funny.
I mean,
Yeah.
I've always respected you for that. You're like upfront. You tell the truth like 100% of the time. You don't care what they think.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
no, sorry.
I started off by putting a lot of ads, like 6 to 7, and I kind of dropped it down to like 5 or 4 because I do notice people complaining. So I don't know. I feel like if it might slow down like my channel if I put too much ads because like if a new
Yeah, it might
viewer
actually-
comes and they see all those ads, they might not even want to watch or subscribe, so they might just leave immediately.
Yeah.
So
But for me, it's like I don't know. I like money too much, so
yeah. Well,
So
no,
ri-
the
so
first.
right now,
What's that?
I just got the. I said I right now got the 4,000 watch hours, so I could go for monetization. But I'm also afraid that maybe it's going to slow down my channel if I put ads on it. So I don't want to
No.
go for it right away.
no, you can definitely put a couple ads in it, and it wouldn't affect your channel. Just don't go
Yeah.
crazy like us. But I don't know.
Yeah,
I
like
just
one
want to
one
wait a
ad
little
in the
bit.
beginning, like 3 ads, I think is normal. 4 or
Also good,
5, I think
skippable.
people can tolerate it. But when you get to like 7, 8, I think that's when like new viewers start to get angry. Cause I've
Yeah.
had a couple of people hate on me for ads.
I probably got rid of like a good couple hundred people by putting too much ads on my channel.
Yeah.
I don't get it. Like I have like 4,785 subscribers, yet like I only get like 1 or 2,000 views. I'm like, where's the other 3,000 subscribers?
Yeah,
the
exactly.
same.
Yeah, what are they? What are they doing? I don't know. So
Well,
I don't,
Because my channel's organic, right? It's like I didn't pay for anything,
Yeah.
so it grew all the way to like 4,000, like 5,000 almost.
No, that's
But then-
true. Like I'll drop a video and then some of them will only get like 729 views, and I have like 6K, over 6K
I
subscribers.
feel
I'm
like
like,
it's I feel like it's sometimes it's an algorithm thing. Like
yeah.
YouTube.
No, it was like a Tesla. I made a Tesla video. It only had 729 views. And then the next day I drop an Aurora video. It has 5K views. So maybe the majority of my subscribers are just subscribed for Aurora videos. Because
Yeah,
like...
that's probably it.
Because Aurora
Exactly.
videos, like, I even have an Aurora video that has, like, the most I've ever had is, like, 12 or 11K. So, yeah, I think it all depends on the company. Some people might not even care about anything else besides Aurora.
I had exactly the same with vanadium stocks. So I posted a video of vanadium stocks. I woke up and it was a like 2K, and I have like 1.5 subscribers. So it was at 2K. It's around 2.7K right now. I think it's just an algorithm thing.
Yeah, I could
Yeah,
believe
some
that.
videos blow up, some others don't. Yeah, I think you're right for sure. For sure. Kevin, there's a question. Are you going to ACV's AGM at the end of November?
No, I can't because I'm going to
Vegas?
meet Jeremy and Graham Stephan in Vegas on December 1st. So I'm gone on November 3rd. It's so stupid though because my plane is at 7 o'clock in the morning and the meeting's at 10 o'clock in the
That's
morning.
yeah,
If
exactly.
the plane was just like the evening, like 1 o'clock, it would have been perfect.
Yeah.
But no, it's like Aurora's like, camping me, and then they're like, okay, we'll put it right at this time so he doesn't show up. Cause last year I was at the AGM, and I was like talking to I asked Cam Batley a question, and everybody laughed. My question was this: will you become the #1 company in the cannabis industry? And Cam Batley backed off. He's like, I can't answer that. And then he's like, what do you think? And then everyone's just laughing.
That's hilarious.
That's all typical for Kevin. That's like a really straight up Kevin question.
Yeah. Put him on the spot as much as possible.
Well, I want to know that. I'm a shareholder, right? I want to see company number 1. I don't want to see my company number 2.
Yeah, no, exactly. I agree.
Yep.
So how long do you guys want to do this for? Because I'm a little hungry.
Me too. I'm starving, guys. What should we eat for lunch? Let's hear it in the comments.
What do you mean lunch? It's like
Well,
7.
if you guys want to end it, I'll end it because I haven't eaten anything too. I'm kind of getting hungry.
Guys,
And I have to.
last
Thank you,
question of
Real
the day.
Kyle. Good to see you
What,
here.
what should we eat for lunch? What should everybody eat? What should baby eat for dinner?
Oh,
What should
someone
Abby-
said that your screen's gonna be filled with tissue papers by the end of today. By the end of the whole day of the live stream, Departures Capital whole screen will be filled with tissues. Christopher,
Alright, guys.
I know. Look at all those toilet papers. I have my toilet paper just in case I start crying. And what's going on, Real Kyle? Thanks for being here. You're the man.
Someone said we should eat scotch.
I think I want to see Departures Capital eat some tissue papers with tears on them.
You guys, I'm not eating this tissue paper, but
I live in Las Vegas, and most of the time after the market is way done for the day, and while I'm driving into work, I just listen to all the videos. Hey, I'm Kevin. Let me know. Hey, Kevin, let me know if you want to see some shows while in Vegas. Someone said, hey, Kevin, let me know if you want to see some shows while in Vegas. This was from Christopher Sally.
There you go.
Yeah, Kevin, what up with that? How much did you pay for those tickets? Because you got a few tickets, I believe, like for you and your buddies.
Oh yeah, well, basically,
Okay.
one of my business partner didn't really want to go, but then my friend was like telling my business partner like, "Hey, you should go too." And then he was like, "You pay for me and I'll go." I'm like, "Fine, I'll pay for you." So I paid for him, and then my friend paid for himself. So I paid $600 US, so that's like $800 Canadian.
All right.
Jeremy paid.
Aaron, I see all those tissue papers there.
And then my plane ticket cost me $700
Yeah.
with help. So
Damn, that's so expensive. Like in Europe, you can fly for like $10, like €10. You can get a flight from, I don't know, Germany to Portugal or something like that.
What? That's crazy. Hey,
10 euros?
Oh yeah, sorry. Go on.
Did you say 10 euros?
10 euros.
Yeah, like €10. That's what, 15 Canadian bucks, something like that. 14.99, something like that.
That's ridiculous because it's like you're flying on a plane and the cab costs more than that.
It's cheaper than the train than everything else.
That's retarded because planes are expensive. I thought.
Yeah, we should invest in some tissue stocks.
Some tissues.
Probably gamble.
Look at my watch list. It's like red, and then Baba's green, and then red, and I have like a European stock that's up. Actually, things are looking good in Europe. I'm like 4% up for today in my European portfolio, and then I'm like 9% down on my cannabis stocks.
Colin Fung is like, cool. First time to see baby's face. I'm pretty sure
What?
most
Is
of your
that
videos show your face in it, though, don't they?
Well, not recently because I've been putting out videos like every day.
Yeah,
But
it's a lot
most of
easier.
them do, yeah, most of them do.
It's easier to make videos without showing your face because all you got to do is edit the audio.
Well, I just like the opportunity to have the chance to show some charts and then
Yeah.
the numbers. I don't know. I just find it to have how do you call it, like better impact.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I think Departures Capital is gonna invest in tissue stocks. I mean, why not? I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be using tissues if the marijuana markets continue dropping.
I'm gonna make a small cannabis company called Canna Tissue. Canna Tissue Trust.
Marijuana tissues that get you high while you cry. That's like a good slogan. Get high while you cry.
Great. Oh, there we go. Here, we'll pop back in for a second. I'm gonna have to clean this up eventually.
Yeah.
Where did you get that from? Like, what?
I don't know, man. I found it in my closet. There was a bunch of tissues and stuff, and I was just like, all right.
I get the toilet paper part though, because we also buy toilet paper in bulk. So we have like a whole wall of toilet paper, but it's like, yeah. Do you want to have some? I can send you something over.
The shipping will be more expensive than the paper.
That's true. Hey, wait. So, baby, you're from Belgium, right? People are asking.
Yeah, well, I live in Belgium. I'm not Belgian myself.
Nice. Where are you originally from?
My dad's Russian, part Bulgarian. My mom's Italian, and I was born in Bulgaria. I've lived in South Africa and also some other European countries. So
Nice. My mom's
I don't even know for where I'm from. So
That's funny.
what did you say? Your mom's Italian too?
Yeah.
Where's she from?
She's in Canada, but family's from Palermo and.
Oh, nice.
Home.
Hey Kevin, Christopher's like, I work in a topless show. You would have some fun in Vegas. So you could go see some topless women.
Oh, okay.
Topless show, so he's like the topless dancer. Or
Yeah, I'm hoping it's not him who's the topless dancer. I don't know. Well, Christopher, are you the topless one, or is there women that are topless?
It is a bit of both. I'm just kidding.
It's a bit of both, maybe.
No, it'd be amazing if Jeremy and Graham Stephan both let me do a collab with them. But I don't.
You
think-
should
I
just
don't-
bring your camera and just record
I
with
am.
them.
Bring
Just
you-
who
I'm
cares?
bringing with me.
Be like, look, I paid for this.
Like,
I
go
want
in
you
your
guys in
face,
my
like-
video.
You have to go in.
You gotta just go in there with the live stream going on already, and then you're just like, "Hey guys, what's up? We're here live with."
Yeah.
Well, I can just bring my cell phone and be like, oh, just live stream it right there, like in front of them.
Exactly.
Like, hey, I'm hey, this is Jeremy and Graham.
Power went up.
You should ask him some difficult questions, like something awkward.
Be like,
Questions that-
how's your Alibaba stock doing, Jeremy?
How's Facebook doing? How's Apple doing?
Do you still think Facebook is the best? What did he say about Facebook? He was like said
The
something about,
second most easiest money on the market.
Yeah.
Oh, Apple down 186 right now.
oh, that is
Oh,
good.
really? Holy crap! The fangs are getting killed again today.
I don't think it's all fangs. I swear I saw some fangs in the red. No, that's funny because Chinese stocks are in the green today. On a red day, Chinese stocks are in the green. So yeah, Apple's down to
There's
one.
somewhere, right?
Yeah,
There's some Apple and throwing into Chinese stocks.
I called that out a while ago that eventually the FANG stocks are gonna drop and the Chinese stocks will go up. I said that in one of my videos a while ago, and it's happening.
Look at the EMA
So there's like basically to me,
crashing.
there's three options for like people who sell. A, keep cash. B, buy bonds. Or three, put it into another stock
Yeah.
that they think is undervalued.
I've been looking into uranium stocks lately.
Oh, I used to do a lot of uranium. You should look into. I'm sure you already found it, but Cameco or Denison Mines.
Yeah, that's like the big boy in the markets. I know, and it's things are starting to look very good because uranium prices dropped from 136 to $28 in a few years,
Yeah.
and they're starting to get a nice bounce. So who knows? Just doing a lot of analysis on uranium stocks, lithium stocks, vanadium stocks. I think that commodities and miner stocks may be very useful for 2019.
Yeah, and not to mention the prices are great all across the board. They're so cheap.
Yep.
They're just got pushed.
Yeah, any kind of those stocks are like cheap. Lithium, copper, your thing, whatever you said.
Yeah.
You got patience, good returns.
Yeah,
But if
maybe
you're
in a year, it'll be off.
Especially if you're trying to hedge, because a lot of people are worried for the markets in 2019. So if you're trying to hedge, definitely take a look at miner stocks.
So what do you guys say? You guys want to call it a day?
I think
Yeah.
It's almost 3
Okay.
hours. This is officially the longest live stream. in the world. I wonder what the world record is for the longest live stream ever.
You should take a look at those hip hop radio live streams. I used to listen to them when I was
How many people are
studying.
watching right now? Out of curiosity.
I have 37 on mine. It dropped when the Zoom shut down on us. It was pretty much at 50 to 48 the whole time, and then it dropped after that drop call.
I see.
Way too much dust in my house.
But yeah, but in the Aurora live stream, I had like at 1.200. I think Aurora is the most popular company. So at that time, I had 200. But for Canopy, it's only been like 50. I think I had 60 max at one point. Yeah.
Yeah, 100% Aurora. Like when I opened it up and there was 250 people in the room.
Yeah, no, Aurora was crazy.
We should just do an Aurora Cannabis live stream every day.
Yeah.
I've never done a live stream though. I don't even know how it works.
All you need to do is just put the title Aurora in it.
Yeah.
People watch it.
Aurora Cannabis. Oh my gosh.
And like we just update them with the price every second. Oh, Aurora Cannabis is here. Oh, Aurora Cannabis.
Let's just do every day. 9:30 till 4 Aurora Cannabis live stream.
Yeah, just talk about the
down for
tickers.
that. I'll get online at around 9 and see you guys on.
Wow. Looks like we're
did you
not gonna
guys-
do the world record.
Did you guys see this? Like, it's on investing.com. Oil rises as OPEC partners discuss supply cut. Like this. Let me put it on the screen.
We should call this the Aurora live stream. The Aurora Cannabis live stream. That's it. Like live stream 1. Like, you know how there's the minus letter 1, 2, 3.
But we did talk about Aurora, so you know what? I'm changing the title to Canopy Growth Earning plus Aurora Talk.
Yeah. You know what? We should just call this.
Episode 1.
We should call this the. We should call this. Yeah.
We can get to 100 episodes. It'll be funny if we do.
We should call this the Aurora Cannabis Letter Raw.
The letter raw. Episode 1.
Let's do it. I just gotta put some Aurora in that title. Okay, well,
Maybe you should calm down the ads.
Colin Fung is
every
still
ad
watching.
is
Thanks,
30
Colin.
or something.
But I dare you to put an ad every 5 seconds, Kevin.
Nobody would actually watch it unless they ad block it.
It's just
yeah.
because it's a 5-second skippable ad, so every
You know,
you get 5 seconds and then you gotta watch 5 seconds. It's only fair, right?
I would never do that.
I'm just
I'm not the great. I'm not that. I have a little bit of morals.
I know, I'm just joking. Sorry, guys. Don't worry, we're not putting an ad every 5 seconds.
I'll put one probably like every half hour, 20 minutes.
How long has this been going for? Like, I'm here for what, 20 minutes?
It's
How
been
long has it
going
been
on
going
for
for?
2 hours and 51 minutes.
What?
Yeah.
Holy smokes! All right,
Yeah,
guys, we gotta wrap this up soon. So
no. It was nice chatting. We could do another 4-way live stream again. What's the next earnings, Kevin? Is there anything coming up Thursday, Friday?
Doesn't
Well,
matter. We'll just talk about Aurora anyways.
we'll just live stream called Aurora episode 2.
yeah. Okay.
Aurora
That sounds
episode.
good.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
starving, guys. All right, so we're gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. For whoever stayed that long, you guys are number 1.
Number 1 fans.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
This
guys.
was a lot of fun, and we'll try to bring these
Wait a
guests
second.
again.
Wait a second. You're not allowed to applaud if Rich's not here. He's the only one allowed to applaud.
We'll try to get Rich next time. Rich is a busy man.
He is.
All right. So I'm gonna stop recording a live stream. We'll see you guys next time. We'll try to get all 4 of us again.
Make sure to check out Investing Hustler. Subscribe
Oh, yeah.
to the
Yeah, subscribe to Investing Hustlers, subscribe to Baby, subscribe to Cyberworld, and of course subscribe to Departures Capital. We'll leave the link in the description for all of them. He'll do it too. I don't know if you guys are uploading this live stream. Are you guys gonna be
I'm
doing?
not. I don't really care. It's so easy for me to make a video
Yeah.
that.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
All right, see ya. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Yeah.